Entrepreneurship has been a trend for the past decade, but it is a very difficult word to pronounce, let alone understand it. I decided to start a podcast where I call entrepreneurs and talk to them about starting a business at a very young age, working and earning by yourself. Today, in our first episode, we have the two founders of Sociology.
Hi, I'm Naman.
Hi, I'm Madhura. I've seen every young entrepreneur go through this कि शुरुआत करेंगे, गलतियाँ करेंगे, फिर either जोश टॉक से दिखेंगे या टेड पे दिखेंगे. मैं भी करती
Beer biceps. Exclusively.
He looked at me as if I told him that I want to do something when I'm selling my body for money or something. He's like, you want to do law? Why do you want to do law?
Just to clarify, we are pro-choice. If you're doing that, it's not a problem.
Yeah. What's your name's meaning?
It means namaste. It means झुकना किसी के सामने. That is what
In
Naman is.
respect or in like?
In respect.
No, I hope not that way.
Satisfaction के लिए.
जम्मू वाले ऑनलाइन कर लेते हैं.
हाँ तब था ना अभी नहीं आते हैं अभी इतने जम्मू वाले.
But again, जम्मू में तो नेट है, कश्मीर में नहीं.
Exactly. It's the definition of funny, okay? ये जो
Oh yes, thank God.
ये जो पर्सनालिटी हमारे सामने है ये इंस्टाग्राम पे भी है. So the whole thing कि you are someone else on Instagram or social media and someone else in real life, ये बंदा वो मेरे लिए break कर चुका है. And coming from someone.
Someone I know, his brother went through an accident.
Listen, fuck you. इधर से फेंक के मारूंगा सब कुछ हो जाएगा. वो ऐसा.
And I was like, लोग कितनी मेहनत कर रहे हैं.
Hello guys.
Hey.
Welcome to the Outreach podcast. This is our first episode and I'm honored to be sitting with you guys. You are big names in Nagpur if you guys don't know yet.
I didn't know that. You will know eventually.
I want to focus this podcast around entrepreneurship and the people who are starting to work, not even earn, but portfolio बहुत बड़ी चीज है जो सब लोग देखते हैं. उसे बिल्ड करना बहुत कबली सी उम्र में शुरू कर देते हैं और फिर 25 साल के होके बताते हैं हमने बहुत सारी गलतियां की, तुम लोग मत करो.
Then you become a motivational speaker.
Yes, exactly.
There's a transition. I've seen every young entrepreneur go through this कि शुरुआत करेंगे, गलतियाँ करेंगे, फिर either जोश टॉक से दिखेंगे या टेड पे दिखेंगे. मैं भी करती हूँ.
Beer biceps. Exclusively. हम लोग अगर किसी के बारे में बात ही नहीं करना.
No, a lot of people apart from Aluwadi also. Alavadi also.
Yeah.
Like I've worked with so many startups. ठीक है, जब आप फाउंडर के साथ मीटिंग में बैठते हो ना और आप वो स्टार्टअप में, अब मैंने तो एंट्री लेवल से चालू किया, इंटर्नशिप्स किए हुए, कंटेंट राइटिंग किया हुआ है, तो whenever you sit with the founder, वो फाउंडर से आके बैठेगा ऐसा एकदम सोबर फेस लेके आएगा. And today I want to tell you all the mistakes that I made and that you shouldn't. ऐसा एक सेशन होता ही है.
The 24-year-old veteran.
Oh yeah, oh my God.
मेरे जख्म देखने मैं बैंक अकाउंट दिखाऊंगा. मेरे जख्म कौन? Who is Naman and who is Madhura? Madhura, you start. Personal level, informal. मेरे को आपकी डिग्रियां नहीं जाननी है, आप बस अपना बताओ.
So Madhura is basically an introvert turned extrovert. I remember growing up, I was the kind of person कि मैं फर्स्ट बेंच पे बैठूंगी, बहुत पढ़ाई करूंगी, अच्छे मार्क्स लाऊंगी, एकदम टॉपर स्टूडेंट वाला लॉजिक था. फिर 11th-12th में कॉमर्स ले लिया तो घर वालों ने सबने बोला कि इतने अच्छे मार्क्स है 10th में क्यों कॉमर्स ले रहे हो. तो सबने तब से अज्यूम कर लिया कि अब बिगड़ गई लड़की क्योंकि कॉमर्स ले लिया. तो
ये नया है, मेरे को वैसा ही हुआ.
मैं खुद कॉमर्स का हूँ, मेरे को कंफ्लिक्टेड लग रहा था.
अरे मैं वो उतने
आर्ट्स के लिए होता तो I understand.
नहीं वो इतनी कन्वेंशनल फैमिली से आती ना मैं, तो मेरी बहन इज द डॉक्टर, माय कजिन्स आर डॉक्टर्स और इंजीनियर्स. Oh my God, there's weird pressure. So after 12th when I told my father कि I want to do law, so everyone was like law क्यों कर रही है, ये चीज़ का बैकग्राउंड है तेरा, वो चीज़ का बैकग्राउंड है, इतना अच्छा कर लेती है. और मजाक ये है कि मुझे लॉ भी करना नहीं था, मुझे करना था लिटरेचर. मुझे पोएट्री पढ़नी थी, पोएट्री आगे जाके पढ़ानी थी, बट थैंक्स टू इंडियन सोसाइटी वो सपने तो वही खत्म हो गए. But I am a poet, I'm a performance artist, I'm an author. I teach poetry pan-India and I love doing that. I don't do it for the money, I don't do it for the fame, I do it because हफ्ते में 2 दिन 2 घंटा आई एम इन माई जोन। जब मैं ऑनलाइन कॉल पे हूँ, मैं बच्चों को सिखा रही हूँ। और हम लोग ये ऑनलाइन वाला चीज़ पिछले 4 साल से कर रहे हैं। आई एम डूइंग इट विद एन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन। सो हम लोग पिछले 4 साल से ये चीज़ कर रहे हैं। सो इट्स नॉट अ लॉकडाउन स्पेशल दैट हैपेंड। सो आई हैव बीन टीचिंग ऑनलाइन फॉर द पास्ट 4 years एंड आई हैव मेट पीपल फ्रॉम जम्मू, आई हैव मेट पीपल फ्रॉम कन्याकुमारी एंड ये लोग बॉम्बे पुणे आते हैं, मुझे कॉल करते हैं, मुझे मिलते हैं, वो सेटिस्फैक्शन के लिए।
जम्मू वाले ऑनलाइन कर लेते हैं?
हाँ तब था ना, अभी नहीं आते हैं अभी इतने जम्मू वाले।
बट अगेन जम्मू में तो नेट है, कश्मीर में नहीं।
एग्जैक्टली।
So I started teaching when I was 18, first year of college. बहुत ही फन जर्नी थी मेरे। शुरुआत की अगर आप वर्कशॉप के रिकॉर्डिंग सुनोगे ना, इतना घटिया सिखाया है मैंने, क्यों सिखाया ऐसा होता है। बट अभी वो एक स्टेज पे आ गई हूँ कि अभी कॉन्फिडेंस आ गया है
Within yourself.
within myself। उसके बाद फिर पैंडेमिक 2020 was a very good phase जिसमें I turned my definition of myself.
For everyone, I think. वो दो extreme users हैं. Either you excel or either you
fail so bad.
Yeah.
That there's no 21.
So
End it all.
2020 was very good for me personally because मैंने decide किया कि जो सब conventional हो रहा है जिंदगी में वो सब साइड में रख देता है।
Okay.
तो किताब लिखने का सपना तो बहुत बचपन से था। 8th स्टैंडर्ड में थी तब डिसाइड किया था कि 21 साल की उम्र में किताब लिखूंगी। लिख दी, पब्लिश हो गई, बहुत अच्छा हुआ। उसके बाद मुझे और नमन को रियलाइज हुआ, हम लोग ऐसे एक दिन बैठे थे कि वी वर लाइक कि कुछ खुद का करना है एट द एंड ऑफ द डे। ही वाज डन विद हिज जॉब, आई वाज डन विद माय डिग्री, व्हाटएवर इंटर्नशिप्स आई वाज डूइंग एवरीथिंग। सो वहाँ से फिर मेरी सेल्फ डेफिनेशन चेंज हो गया। अभी आई थिंक मैं खुद को एंटरप्रेन्योर बोल सकती हूँ, आई एम नॉट वेरी श्योर।
Exactly as I said, it is a very broad stroke. बोलने में already difficult है, समझने में और ज़्यादा है।
तो एंटरप्रेन्योर कितने हद तक बोल सकती हूँ पता नहीं मुझे, बट
Do you own a company?
आई डू।
Is it successful in your terms?
It is.
दुनिया के हिसाब से आप करोड़पति हो तभी आप बिजनेसमैन हो, but in your terms are you successful?
Yes, I am.
Welcome to the entrepreneur club.
तो वही है। एंड देन फिर हम लोगों ने जब ये सोशियोलॉजी 0 से स्टार्ट किया तो हमको रियलाइज हुआ कि एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप जो है ये तो हम बहुत टाइम से करते आ रहे हैं। क्योंकि इसके पहले अनहर्ड था हमारा इवेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जब हमने मर्ज कर लिया सोशियोलॉजी के साथ।
Okay.
सो या दैट्स मी। नाउ फ्रॉम इंट्रोवर्ट आई हैव रीच्ड अ स्टेज वेयर आई टॉक टू मच।
It's okay. That's
So
the only
that's-
point. This is हम लोग ये शाम में रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हैं क्योंकि दिन भर सब काम करके अभी ये वेंटिंग आउट सेशन है। Okay? हम सब एक दूसरे के थेरेपिस्ट हैं।
True.
Entrepreneurs.
I mean, yeah, that's how you talk. I am Naman, and my Naman's definition is that I am lucky.
What's your name's meaning?
It means namaste. It means झुकना किसी के सामने. That is what
In
Naman means.
respect or in like?
इन रिस्पेक्ट।
No, I hope not that. So yeah, I am just lucky. That is what I call myself. Because you know, जब से I've been very young, whatever I wanted, I got.
Okay.
You know, again जैसा अपन बातें करते हैं ना कि लोग आके बोलेंगे कि यार इतना स्ट्रगल किया हमने, ये किया, नहीं किया मैंने.
Okay.
Again, that does not mean I come from a very privileged background.
By your definition, you didn't struggle.
Yeah,
Okay.
because okay, so I was a musician. I am a musician.
By-
I started earning through music when I was 19.
Okay, that's
right. I started doing shows. Professionally, my first job was at a radio station. I used to work as a radio jockey. 3 साल वहाँ काम करने के बाद I left after 4 years. 3 साल वहाँ काम करने के बाद I was interviewing a few people, normal general folks from Nagpur, and उन्होंने बताया कि यार वो लोग भी ट्राई कर रहे थे 3-4 साल पहले to you know इंटरव्यू दे रहे थे जॉब के लिए, सेम पोजीशन जो मेरे को मिली. और उस 1 साल में इतने लोगों से मिला हूँ जो 3 साल से ट्राई कर रहे थे, हर साल मुझे इंटरव्यू देते हुए दिखते थे. चौथे साल जब मैं छोड़ा तो मेरी ही जगह के लिए वो इंटरव्यू दे रहे थे. Someone I know, his brother went through an accident. वो भाई को हॉस्पिटल में छोड़ के इंटरव्यू देने आया, and I was like, लोग कितनी मेहनत कर रहे हैं. And yeah, literally, right? And एक दिन मैं just उठा, मेरे को कॉल आया था because मैंने एक वेबसाइट पे क्लिक किया था
Okay.
to apply.
They take your information like that.
Yeah.
SMS आने शुरू हो जाते हैं.
तो मैंने एक वेबसाइट पे just क्लिक किया था, yes I wanted to apply for the job, and the next morning I had a call जहाँ पे मेरा टेलीफोनिक इंटरव्यू हो रहा था. हफ्ते भर में I got the job. It was unplanned, so it was lucky, right?
हाँ.
बीच में 3-4 साल में I met so many people. I I got new business opportunities that I could have done. Lucky, did not try for that, right?
By the way, for the people who haven't gone through Naman Bhaiya's Instagram, it's the definition of funny, okay? ये जो
Oh yes, thank God.
ये जो पर्सनालिटी हमारे सामने है ये Instagram पे भी है. So the whole thing कि you are someone else on Instagram or social media and someone else in real life, ये बंदा वो मेरे लिए break कर चुका है. And coming from someone.
No, I'm just gonna no.
जलते हैं लोग.
For the funny part, yeah, well, subjectivity.
Subjective. See, some people just fart and somebody laughs and somebody cracks a joke.
TikTok started out like that. It was musically prior to being TikTok.
No, but one thing that I want to add to Naman's introduction of himself is he's very humble. मैंने उसको देखा है वो रात को 4 बजे तक मेहनत करता है फिर बाहर जाके बोलता है. In general, in life.
I think videos that go on my Instagram are the least thought out product.
सबसे कम effort है.
See,
कोई टाइम है जिसमें आप अपना passion सही उस पे लगाते हैं.
No. I randomly, when I make videos, I randomly think, what's funny?
Yeah, how can I defame myself quickly?
Yeah. See, I make random ass thing. I know nobody's going to laugh at, but I laugh at those.
Yeah.
So I make and I put it out, man.
नमन के बारे में ये एक चीज है कि वो बहुत मेहनत करेगा फिर बाहर जाके नहीं बोलेगा कि उसने इतना मेहनत किया हुआ है. वो बाहर जाके हमेशा यही चीज बोलेगा कि मैं लकी था या मुझे मिल गई चीजें, बट मेहनत मैंने देखी हुई है.
It's the whole argument about talent versus hard work, right?
Not even that's my point. With Naman, he has the talent and he puts in the hard work. मैं उसको एक चीज बहुत बार बोली हूँ कि आप जब लोगों को बोल देते हो ना कि you were lucky, वो थोड़ा वैल्यूडेटोरिएट हो जाता है. Because मेहनत मैंने देखी है, मैंने देखा है कि वो कितना बैठ के घिसाता है खुद की.
But see, the point is, I didn't want to tell people that मैं मेहनत करता हूँ.
वही तो पॉइंट है ना. अभी जो एज ओल्ड सेइंग है कि आपकी मेहनत नहीं दिखती, आपका काम दिखता है, रिजल्ट दिखता है, मैं बिलीव ही नहीं करता. मेरे को बनाना है कि हार्ड वर्क इज द नॉर्म और जो लोग फिटियाली कर रहे हैं दैट्स द आउटकास्टेड पार्ट ऑफ सोसाइटी. जो लोग जो हसल मेंटालिटी व्हिच वी विल गेट टू लेटर ऑन, जो हसल ग्राइंड मेंटालिटी है, इट शुड बी द नॉर्म. क्योंकि चलो यार मैं क्लीशे हो ही जाता हूँ, जो केव में हमारी फिलॉसफी है कि यू ईदर हंट एंड सर्वाइव और यू बी विद द वुमेन हु विल थ्रो यू आउट बिकॉज़ यू कांट डू एनीथिंग. ट्रू. तुमसे नहीं मारा जाता भेड़िया तो तुम कपड़े भी नहीं धो सकते. तुम पागल हो जाओगे 2 महीने में. खाना तुम्हें कोई दे नहीं रहा, पत्थर मार मार के भगाएंगे. वही सोसाइटी बननी चाहिए. आई थिंक जो लोग बोलते हैं कि ओ यू शुड लर्न फ्रॉम माय मोटिवेशन, आई वेक अप एट 5, आई स्लीप एट 9, मेरी कोई सोशल लाइफ नहीं है, तुझे जीना नहीं आता.
ट्रू. सब लोग काम करते हैं.
तू वो करके सक्सेस पा रहा है. मैं 11 बजे उठ के दुबई की कॉल 12 बजे करके मैं फिर से सो जा रहा हूं. तू जितना कमा रहा है उतना कमा रहा है.
There are these YouTubers, right? ये
they monetize on it.
They monetize. There are videos जहाँ पे हर यूट्यूबर का एक दूसरे से अनसेड फाइट चल रही है. How early does somebody wake up? Yeah. There are fucking videos with titles. I wake up at 5 a.m. every morning.
5 a.m. entrepreneur routine.
Yeah.
Day in the life.
I kid you not. Okay, this is such a bullshit logic that
This is
goes
parent
around
logic.
everywhere.
Yeah.
Okay. So I know so many people who have told my parents like voluntarily सब बोला है कि वो डिग्री भी कर रही है, वो बिजनेस भी चला रही है, वो पोएट्री भी कर रही है, उसका ध्यान बढ़ जाएगा, उसका डिग्री नहीं आएगा, वो लाइफ में कुछ करेगी नहीं. मैंने बोला आपके बच्चों ने जो किया वो एक डेड एंड जॉब में है आज.
Exactly.
ठीक है, वो जितना 1 महीने की सैलरी में कमा रहे हैं मैं मेरे एक क्लाइंट से कमा रही हूँ.
हाँ, वो लोग बेचारे मिड लाइफ छोड़ के क्वार्टर लाइफ क्राइसिस में फंसे.
एग्जैक्टली. तो मेरे को ये लोग समझ नहीं. और ये आके मेरे माँ बाप को क्यों बता रहे हो आप? आपको दिख रहा है मैं बूम कर रही हूँ, मैं सक्सीड कर रही हूँ, तो आपकी जल रही है बेसिकली.
And that's why I like the animal kingdom. बच्चा पैदा हुआ, थोड़ा बड़ा हुआ, खुद खाने लायक, छोड़ो. I think that is supposed to be.
I think हमें डिफर किया जाता है because we have that psychological and emotional power.
Yeah.
No, we are dumb. We are
very dumb. Looking at the camera and saying it, humans are dumb.
You tell me.
I admit it. मेरे एज में people will be like कि तू entrepreneur है, मैं क्या बोल सकता हूँ, मैं काम कर रहा हूँ, ठीक है, मैं काम कर रहा हूँ, so I'm different. नहीं, मैं गधा हूँ, मैं लाइफ एंजॉय कर सकता हूँ अभी, बट मैं नहीं कर रहा हूँ. बट when I realize कि ये जो गैरी वी, डेविड गॉगिन्स 25 आवर्स अ डे वाली फिलॉसफी है, देखो भैया ये तुम्हें 4 साल बाद करना ही है.
करना ही है।
मैं अभी करके ना तुम्हें 4 साल बाद सुनाऊंगा कि तुमने नहीं किया, तुम फंस चुके हो, अब तुम भुगतो।
मैंने किया, मैंने 16 साल की उम्र से किया, तुमने नहीं किया।
और फिर मैं 25 साल में वीडियो बनाऊंगा। I wake up at 5 AM and do nothing except for drinking expensive coffee.
Oh my God, yes.
And putting brand placement कर रहा हूँ।
हाँ बिल्कुल
Yes.
बिल्कुल। मैं सुबह 5 बजे उठता हूँ अलार्म से, पर मेरी नींद अच्छी क्यों हुई? एलोवेरा ड्रॉप्स।
Because I drink this expensive as coffee.
Yeah.
Zen ऐप है जो मैं फोन में बजाती हूँ, जिससे व्हाइट नॉइज आती है, जिससे मैं शांति से
There is a whole transition period. आप पहले ओशो में बिलीव करोगे, फिर आप मेडिटेशन में करोगे, फिर कॉफी सब कुछ हो जाएगा आपको।
खत्म। The dirty bean water.
Because coffee is aesthetic. If you don't know, coffee sells.
अरे
Coffee
Coffee.
sells.
See, a lot of people, again, coffee पे अपन आएंगे। A lot of people don't know what coffee is. They
Oh
just
my
drink it
God.
because everybody around them.
Yeah, if you don't know, it's as addictive and as harmful as smoking.
As
Tobacco.
anything.
It will harm you, you know, equally. But क्योंकि वो टपरी पे अच्छे से मिलती है and people are making millions on it ethically, क्योंकि वो farm में उगता है, देखो तुम्हें खराब करेगा ये
A lot of things grow on the farm that are illegal.
Yeah. देखो राजस्थान में ना ठेके हैं गवर्नमेंट लाइसेंस, बट यहाँ पे if you ever have any questions how we get ideas about content, it's farming. You guys.
It's farming, you know.
Yeah.
Organic.
My parents are going to listen to this podcast. Like, let me just.
Yeah, then they know that you're working out in the farm. So, okay, since we have introduced both of you.
Yeah.
बहुत
Briefly.
I loved it, okay? I loved it. Intro part ना 20% भी नहीं होता वीडियो का, हमारा 50% हो ही रहने वाला है. What is sociology? Now here I am gonna be a little formal. Explain it to me in the statutory terms. कि sociology as a company, as a business, कैसे operate करता है, कौन सी fields में करता है?
Like how we like to call it, it is a creative branding and marketing firm.
Very pretentious, but I like it.
I know, right?
Yeah.
Sometimes when you're branding, you have to be pretentious. Or like, who's going to give money to you to brand them?
Yeah, because it should be on the face.
Exactly.
Yeah, it can't be subtext.
So if you look at the in general vibe of our company, it's very quirky, it's very modern, it's very minimalistic.
It's what we think. You know, it's how we think. That is what the brand, हमारा at least उसका.
So honestly, it's his quirkiness and me bringing that quirkiness to
On paper.
acceptable terms so
Yeah.
that people can digest that quirkiness.
Yeah, like we can't talk about you know, open farming and all of that.
Yeah. It's a lot of hard work.
Yeah.
You guys don't know. It's like a very
Very tedious job.
yeah.
Very, very.
Hard
So-
hitting it's here.
Sociology for us is a partnership that we've started together, but it's more of our baby.
Okay.
It is something that we want to work on, grow as we grow, and we don't want to restrict ourselves. When we say marketing and branding agency, वो इसीलिए इतना wide bracket लिया
Wait,
है.
is it okay if we disclose that you guys are together?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So when they say it's their baby, sociology is their company. Okay.
Yeah, because to be honest,
Please, क्योंकि Elon Musk कंप्यूटर का नाम रख चुका है, it's their company.
yeah, it's the company. The idea is our baby because both of us don't promote kids.
या क्योंकि Instagram पे जाने के बाद लोग DM करने वाले हैं. So, do you guys have any employees currently?
Yes, one.
Excluding you guys,
One.
because I know that you do all the statutory work.
So he is the what you can call he's a very important.
He's the face of sociology.
No.
No, the one employee we're
The
talking
one
about.
employee.
Oh, okay.
मुझे क्या बोलना है कि ऐसा पीठ का रीढ़ का हड्डी होता है ना,
Backbone.
उसमें से एक भी हिल जाए, वर्टेब्रे एक भी हिल जाए तो पीठ पूरी क्रमल हो जाती है. He's that one important vertebrae.
Okay.
Because he's a designer, he's the one who takes our ideas and puts them
Okay.
on paper or on computer digitally. So उसके बगैर we wouldn't be able to do what we
Yeah,
do.
everything just would be in the air.
Yeah,
He's the one
so
gets
he
it.
materializes everything.
And it works out with this guy because for some reason he does not talk a lot. Right? This guy is very introvert.
Okay.
Like heavily introvert. I don't know if
It's
there's
not
a-
like introverts don't talk, okay?
No, this guy talks to, of course, he talks to people he knows, of course,
Huh.
right? But sometimes he does not even do that.
He just, you know, collects his
He's
thoughts.
in his
See, I'll
zone.
tell you what the situation is. He understands the way Naman thinks,
So
and
you guys
Naman,
don't let him talk.
No, and Naman is in love with him.
Okay.
Let's just put it that way, no?
It's a very open relationship. Right?
Yeah, very open.
Yeah, we have brain sex.
I don't
See,
even want to get into it.
Okay, no, but to be very honest, if I'm thinking something and if I'm telling him things, you know, that there's a certain way I want this design to be, or I want this video to be, or I want this color to look like, I say one sentence, and the second sentence which I'm going to say, he already knows that. He just goes, okay, मैं बना रहा हूँ."
Okay.
And he gives it to me like I want it.
He's the Robin to your Batman.
Yeah.
and जब ये दोनों बात कर रहे होते हैं ना, बैकग्राउंड में बॉलीवुड म्यूजिक बजता है, वायलिन्स बजते हैं.
The rose petals.
हाँ, एकदम.
Karan Johar is in the corner.
देखो फिर.
Naman can't function without him. I feel like.
Yeah, it's a reciprocating relationship.
Yeah. Pun intended, no.
Yeah. No numbers included.
Can we like move away from our
Yeah.
I'm getting jealous
But yeah,
now.
that guy is one of our employees.
Yeah, he gets work done and makes both of you insecure. Doing a lot of jobs, dude.
Yeah. And if you meet him, he's the chillest. He's just like, man.
Does he do farming a lot?
No, not at all.
यार. बहुत ही सीधा सा बच्चा है.
Meditation or coffee? There has to be something, otherwise he's just a
I know
psycho.
he's just a coffee addict.
Yeah, got
Yeah,
it.
he's a coffee addict. Yes.
That works. Yeah, well, entrepreneurship has its own quirks. Because
And then he got Naman a special gift, even if he wasn't Naman's secret Santa, and he wasn't supposed to get Naman.
I got a T-shirt with a very huge elephant in it, just doing this.
Perfect Naman's wife.
Yeah.
no comments. Very, very open relationship, as I said.
Yeah.
So we try to base all of our work on content marketing, considering his background is
That's how I
content.
got into marketing, because of the love of content. Meko-
Because you can't sell products, you have to sell
I
a
think
story.
I can get my head around content. If there is a photo, I know how to engage it with people.
So this is one example that I give to any client that I meet for the first time, right? Ki you buy paper boat not because their juices taste different. You buy paper boat because they bring that nostalgia for you.
Yeah.
You buy paper boat because of the ads of paper
Yeah,
boat.
I think a lot of things that even Bollywood is doing currently, they are not doing any contemporary pieces that often. They are doing it just based on nostalgia. Because since lockdown, people have had so much time to retrospect
Oh my
about
God.
so many things. Ki I think Malgudi Days was trending on Prime Video.
Oh, it was.
Yeah, and you guys don't even know about Malgudi Days. Shame on you. then you must be a huge fan of BoJack Horseman.
Oh, I am.
No, because we got introduced to it later on. See, our foundation was based on Indian. Okay,
Depends, yeah.
we see cartoons. There are either animals or only can be noticed in daylight.
Yeah.
So he thinks that I do not understand BoJack Horseman. Okay, he has that notion. He will never say it out loud.
It's open for interpretation. I think till the final season, if you don't reach to the point where you are like, मेरे को नस काट लेना चाहिए, it's not for you.
अरे मैं तो सोच रही थी कि यार जिंदगी का पॉइंट क्या है, मैं क्यों कर रही हूँ जो कर रही हूँ.
Exactly, I think
कोई सेंस ही नहीं बनता.
I could relate to it a little more. I think that because again, मैं ये नहीं बोल रहा I am famous. As he was famous, like right, he was a famous guy.
उसका midlife crisis था, you are having quarter life.
And just because I was in radio, I used to get this message from whoever listens to radio, right?
Yeah.
And this one specific dialogue from BoJack Horseman that sticks with me is that a lot of people like me, but nobody loves me.
Mm-hmm.
You know that, and he talks in the sense of.
See, we have her and another farming and coffee addict over there.
No, when he says that, he means to whoever is looking at him as an audience, right?
Yeah.
So when I say her or anybody, people who know me, ये तो I understand.
It's like the house and home wala difference, right?
Yeah. So that kind of hit me very hard, and that I was like, यार नहीं देखना है मेरे को आगे ये.
As I said about marketing, any client that you get, I'm talking broad stroke, I'm talking local, I'm talking local businesses, I'm talking even hospitality brands, because rarely होता है कि the owners or the people who are running it or the people you will be dealing with brand wise, they are like us.
Correct.
They understand कि भाई okay marketing है, let's deal with them or talk about it in those terms. But when it comes to old people, जो कि Instagram पे नहीं है, जो कि सिर्फ Facebook पे है, देखो उनका एक ही क्वेश्चन रहता है, फोटो खींच के डल जाएगी it only revolves around content. And I think there is this myth that marketing or social media management and marketing is only secluded around content, which is wrong.
It is wrong, yes.
Yeah, there are a lot of elements जिससे लोग डरते हैं, because when you know say out names or terms like CTA, SEO, as you were talking about it earlier,
CPC,
yeah, people get cold feet. They're like कि नहीं, हमें like और followers से चाहिए जो कि हमारे अच्छी फोटो से हैं.
अरे I tell you कि मैं एक ऐसे बहुत टेक्निकल क्लाइंट के पास गई थी, उनकी मेडिकल में डिग्री थी, ठीक है. उन्होंने दिमाग में बना लिया है कि जो लोग मार्केटिंग करते हैं उनको दिमाग नहीं है, मैं मेडिकल प्रोफेशन वाली हूँ, इसलिए I have so much brains that I will tell you how to do your job.
Just because they don't have the time, that's why they're paying you.
Exactly.
Yeah,
That's what they. So that client, that XYZ person, literally said these words. They were like, "Ki, because I don't have the time to do this on my own.
Hiring you.
You know, I can do it. It's not that tough."
We are inferior. Man.
Oh my god! And
See, we
that
know-
was so triggering
We
for
know a lot of
me.
people who just say, हमको YouTube चैनल चालू करना है और कंटेंट से क्या फर्क पड़ता है, लोग तो वैसे मेरे को देखने आएंगे.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
That's, well, I'm humble in that opinion. Because I know मुझे देखने कोई नहीं आएगा. मेरे को पता है you guys will be the only ones who will be pushing this thing because you are in it.
अच्छा, बहुत
बहुत
प्यारा
nice.
assumption.
I know this first episode is going to be interesting because of course, we are
Fun.
we are right. Episode 2, if whatever is following
Yeah.
is as interesting, I'm going to watch it definitely.
Yeah.
And promote it also.
We are gonna sign an MOU. I want his like and comment on every. My only confusion is कि when people talk about content as in कि देखो, whenever we approach any client as an agency or even as a freelancer, we have to guarantee, क्योंकि as I was saying कि onboarding clients is a very difficult job.
Yeah.
Because when people think कि it's like sales, it's not like you go to a person and be like, sir ये घड़ी है, ये टाइटन बहुत अच्छी बनाता है, sorry branding, but हम ना बहुत अच्छी बनाते हैं और हम आपको 200 रुपए कम में दे देंगे, and it's cash. That's the point that hits everyone कि हाँ अभी मैं तुमको नकदी देके ले लेता हूँ. But when it's a service, it's really different. It's not even like कि तुम जाके खाना खा रहे हो कोई कैफे में because you have such a broad spectrum to choose from. When you are onboarding a client, you have to convince them कि listen, here is the thing that is missing from your operation right now, and here is what we or I can provide, which will make your life.
And it's so messed up now in the terms ki when you say ki this is not sales, and if we approach a client, let's say we come to you, this glass of water is your product, ठीक है? Now I have dealt with clients who give me their product. They ask me how you will sell my product, and I'm telling them I'm not here to sell your product.
That is
I
happening.
am here to create a market for your product.
Yeah.
I am here to market your product.
So that when it's on the shelves, people go to it because they need the
Exactly.
word of.
So that
किसी
has
को
happened to
personally
us.
जाकर बेचना मेरा काम नहीं है ना उसका product.
People have told us कि ये हमारा प्रोडक्ट है, आप ये क्या, आप अपना वो मत बताओ कितना आप चार्ज करने वाले हो, आप ये बेचो और इसका परसेंटेज रख लो.
Stipend.
People have been
और उसके
incentive.
साथ आप Instagram तो मैनेज कर ही दोगे ना यार.
See, the thing is कि this thing generates, आप लोग लो ना please, वो
Yeah,
खराब हो
नहीं
जाएंगे. तो it starts off from the whole term कि sales and marketing are interconnected. क्योंकि whenever, even if you go to study, sales and marketing is an MBA branch.
Yeah.
So when people think about it, मेरा main मुद्दा ये है कि when you talk about content and its marketing, see, social media, digital and content marketing are three different things.
Yeah.
They fall under the same category because it's related to technology. It's not like कि digital is Instagram. No. When you're talking about digital, it comes to your 4 दिन में आपका 40 किलो कम कर देंगे, होगा SMS, डॉक्टर मंत्रा. Every email newsletter that you get,
Emails, SMS, there are WhatsApp
every
blasts.
article that you read, that's digital. But
You
when
have no clue the emailers that you're talking about.
Yeah.
So in Pune, I was working with this agency. Okay. I was an entry level content writer there. One day in a meeting, I go to my boss and I tell him कि ये client के लिए अपन एक email blast बनाते हैं.
okay.
ये email blast जाएगा, ये content. इससे marketing कैसे होगी मैडम? That man is sitting there 25 years in the business doing marketing, and he's asking me emailers से marketing कैसे होगी?
बिकॉज ट्रेडिशनल मार्केटिंग राइट, जब तक लोगों को दिख नहीं रहा बड़ा बड़ा कहीं
हाँ,
पे,
जब
तब
कि
तक
वो
कैसे मार्केट,
एक ब्रांड इमेज नहीं बन जाती ना, जब तक कैसे बच्चों की, तब तक के
like I think इसका if I think people want to study something, study Pratik Kuhad, you know he's an artist,
इसको हिंदी बोलना नहीं आता।
बहुत प्यारा मार्केटिंग होता है उसका बैक एंड,
Oh my
so
God.
whenever when I think when he was very small as an artist, I think in 16 17 right, वो तब से उसका मेलर लिस्ट उसका बन रहा है
ओके
राइट, एंड इवन टुडे जब कोल्ड मैस उसका 2 साल पहले जब रिलीज हुआ था एल्बम,
वो भी जिम साथ वगैरह पोस्टर पे थे तो बहुत
नहीं वो दैट इज व्हाट जनरल पीपल सॉ राइट, जिस दिन रिलीज हुआ था उसके साल भर पहले से एवरी person who was on the email got the audio.
Oh.
I was there.
Oh damn. So you are a Pratik Kuhad fan?
Yeah, I am an artist fan.
No, it's
Whoever
So
makes.
another example of this is there's a very beautiful indie band based out of Pune called As We Keep Searching.
I think I heard about them.
I'm in the mail list for As We Keep Searching. So what they do in email marketing, right? Even if ये 6 महीने में उनका कुछ नया नहीं आ रहा है, they'll send you playlists, they'll send you song recommendations.
वही ना integrity बनाने
वो उनका
का
मार्केट क्लोज करके रखने की नहीं, हमारे लोग हमारा कंटेंट सुनो, हमारा कंटेंट
नया नहीं आ रहा है तो जो पुराने
Exactly.
पुराना है वो सुनो, what are we doing meanwhile वो सुनो.
या हम relevant हैं।
अरे मैंने लिटरली ईमेल लिस्ट में इतनी प्यारी प्यारी पिक्चर्स भेजी उन लोगों ने, उनकी जैमिंग सेशंस की, बैठे आइडिएशन कर रहे हैं.
So that just brings everybody who is interested in their art or in their product, as to say.
Shout out to As We Keep Searching, I love you.
I think here is, since we are talking about bands, either it's a personal thing or something else. I think कि the local train has fell off the train.
So proud of you.
Because of that. क्योंकि उनका जो current audience base है, it's the pretentious teenagers.
It's their audience is huge.
Undoubtedly huge.
But one thing that they are not doing correctly is that merchandising नहीं है उनका कुछ, ठीक है, they don't have a mailer list, active mailer list, they have a mailer list, it's not very active.
I think it's about secrecy as well. They are very secretive.
Yeah.
The interviews that they have done have been so cold. Like 15 minute में sure उसके पहले they are doing interviews. Just fucking, you know, going backs on
I
coffee.
have done interviews. On my podcast, I got in touch with them. You know, did an interview over a call. उस पॉडकास्ट को रिलीज करने के लिए मटेरियल नहीं पॉडकास्ट में.
नहीं एग्जैक्टली आई थिंक अगर अपन लोग उनके एज अ ब्रांड बात कर रहे हैं पर्सनल लेवल पे उनका चलता होगा मे बी आई डोंट वांट टू टॉक अबाउट माय लाइफ दैट मच मे बी वैसा नहीं चलता एंड दे हैव मेड द डिसीजन यू नो व्हाट आई डोंट वांट टू बी द बिजनेस पर्सन जो कि अपनी पर्सनल लाइफ में
बीच में मार्केट में एक ट्रेंड आ गया था एक्सक्लूसिविटी का. सो बहुत से लोग
ने लाया था
बहुत से लोग क्या कर रहे थे कि हम क्या करेंगे, हम हमारी ब्रांड मार्केट नहीं करेंगे, जितने लोग आ रहे हैं उतने लोग आएंगे. ये कंसेप्ट मेरे को कब पता चला, मैं एक बहुत प्रिटी कैफे वाली से मिली पुणे में. बहुत छोटी सी जगह है, बहुत प्रिटी जगह है, यानी अगर वो मार्केटिंग करेगी तो आहा चल जाएगी उसकी जगह, ठीक है. वो ये बोलती है कि मेरा एक सेट कस्टमर बेस है, मैं जो एक्सक्लूसिविटी क्रिएट कर रही हूँ ना उसकी वजह से लोग मेरे पास आ रहे हैं.
उसने सीधी बोली है, आई डोंट वांट टू मार्केट एडवर्टाइज और एनीथिंग. मतलब मेरे जितने लोग आ रहे हैं मेरा निकलता है उसमें से जितना निकलना चाहिए पैसा, आई मेक प्रॉफिट्स ऑफ इट and I'm happy like that. I don't want.
But then again,
I respect those clients. Like that way of saying no is very respectable. It's like the Uber thing, right? It's not कि marketers और agencies की reputation चलती है. No, it's about the clients as well. क्योंकि अगर हम लोगों का network है, if we find a client who's well,
बट लोगों को समझता ये नहीं है कि एक्सक्लूसिविटी क्रिएट करने के रीजन के पीछे भी मार्केटिंग है.
content pillar.
मार्केटिंग है उसके
People
पीछे.
should know why they are coming to you now. And you see, I think the best example, I'm taking big names, but fuck it, because they are the masters of it, that's why they are big. You know what you will find on Amazon. Instagram Prime Video is killing it, Zomato is killing it.
Zomato is a meme.
But what people don't say, maybe because of the taboo thing, but I believe कि जो Durex Twitter पे 2012 से कर रहा है, वो Zomato
आज कर रहा है Zomato.
Durex has been killing it for so long, but people just don't mention it. I tested it. मेरे को मेरे clients ने बोला था कि you know what, send us a presentation. Let's see how this shit works. Like fine. You know what? मैंने सबसे पहले पूछा आपके फोन में Zomato Durex का तो ऐप है नहीं yet. But I just
Yet.
said
I love the yet.
because home delivery शुरू हो सकती है pandemic, you know, anything can happen.
Danzo does that, by the way.
So I just told them कि Durex है and they didn't know the brand. So then I realized India का population is little. I just asked them कि sir, it's a brand which sells condoms. Okay, condoms, okay. We
पहले तो
didn't know
uncomfortable
about that, okay, because the image that we have.
हमारे कॉन्फ्रेंस में औरतें बैठ के आप कॉन्डम नहीं बोलिए.
Yeah, because they are. I know that you are the ones using it, but they are a part of it until सब कुछ in house ही है. But when I told them about Durex, it was a conversation that I can never forget. They were like कि अच्छा तो Durex भी market करता है क्या? हमने सर आपने नाम तो सुना ही है. एक reason की वजह से सुना है because they do the marketing and उनकी marketing इतनी solid है कि वो लोग बेशर्मी से बिलबोर्ड भी
लगा रहे हैं.
हाँ.
अरे बिलबोर्ड की बात कर रहे हो कामासूत्रा की न्यूज़पेपर में इतनी से एड्स आती है कभी देखी
because
है?
Durex is so ethical in their marketing. They don't put half naked women or men.
Exactly.
जो कि man force खुलेआम करता है. तो they're like,
कामासूत्रा बोले.
Man has new ads that if you see new creatives.
मैंने
of
सारी
social
लियोनी के
media.
टाइम से छोड़
No, no, the new creatives of social media. They are somewhere on the Durex lines.
Okay.
You know, for example, अभी कुछ तो भी था कि don't spill overs में कुछ तो भी था. You know, don't spill over.
See, I don't even want
ठीक
to
है.
talk about
So
the
there's
specifics.
there's
of
just
content.
so there's just a toothbrush,
Okay.
a toothpaste,
And something falls.
and a toothpaste all over the brush. That's all.
Yeah.
Don't do this.
Okay.
That's all. That is all that's
That's
it.
smart marketing.
अरे नहीं, but you know, there's this pretentious quote कि good marketing is when it doesn't feel like marketing. But when you take a look at it, when you take a look at all verified pages out there, bro, उसके bio में लिखा है sign into my email list or
Exactly.
subscribe and dude, please don't say this to me. It shouldn't feel like marketing. If you're, I think I blog your trend, जो Instagram पे her name is Dharti Singh. She is such a good strategist. She has a blog on Myntra as well. मैं सारे clients को दिखाता हूँ. मैं like look at her schedule. She is off for 4 days except for stories. और वो 4 दिन stories पे repost है. और जिस दिन वो post कर रही है सब कुछ CTA है.
अरे ये चीज पे एक पॉइंट ये है कि बहुत बार क्लाइंट्स बोलते हैं कि नहीं मैं महीने में एवरीडे पोस्ट करना चाहती हूँ. उनको समझाते समझाते वो आप जो बोल रहे हो ना उसमें शेड्यूल
हाँ.
शेड्यूलिंग
Algorithm is a thing, guys.
हाँ तो आई हैव डेल्ट विद क्लाइंट्स जो बोलते हैं कि नहीं 31 डेज है ना मुझे 30 पोस्ट दो आप.
Same clients are
And
like
that works for some people, you know.
जिनका हाँ जिनको जरूरत है.
Yeah. So for one example, when I was मैं खुद की बात इसलिए करूँगा because people told that to me, right?
Yeah.
When I was working with this radio station, our marketing team told us specifically that you know put one reel a day at least. At least.
Yeah. So you left radio when?
महीने भर पहले.
तो रील्स तो मेरे ख्याल से लास्ट सितंबर से
मचा रहे हैं.
अगले 3 महीने ही मचाएगी. सो गेट ऑन द ट्रेन इफ यू
Yeah, get on the
अपनी
train.
सीक्रेट्स मत बताओ बाहर इंडस्ट्री
नहीं, द
की.
थिंग इज कि मेरे को क्लाइंट्स ऐसे मिलने वाले हैं तो
अच्छा इंडस्ट्री सीक्रेट्स बाहर डाल.
Trade secrets
No,
बताएंगे.
but I think I have learned this from YouTube videos primarily. Courses करके या डिग्री पाके कोई सोशल मीडिया
कोई नहीं मान रहा है.
हम लोग ही होंगे जो कॉलेजेस में पढ़ाएंगे आज से 20 साल बाद. तुम्हें
मैं तो
degree-
हमारा ही कॉलेज होने वाला है.
मैं ले रही हूँ सेशंस ऑलरेडी.
या और हम लोग उनको ये दिखाएंगे कि देखो 20 साल पहले हम यहाँ थे. Now we are speaking to you directly. आज
So we figured out this. There's this 3 kind of contents, right? There has to be one candy content. You know.
just a munch and just have fun.
Yeah, just which attracts others, the
Explore
audience.
page man.
Yeah, explore page man, right? That's your candy content. The other content is your medicine. You know, which maybe solves a purpose.
Adds
for
value.
a while, adds value, education, right?
Got it.
The other is the final is the cure. You know, you don't have to do it constantly. You have to do it once in a while.
Makes your life better.
Yeah,
Got it.
right.
So a very good example for this could be a fitness coach ka page, right? So the candy there could be 15-minute workouts, 15 seconds, sorry, not 15 minutes, 15-second workouts reel में. उसके बाद मेडिसिन पे आप आओगे तो शील टेल यू कि वही 15 सेकंड्स आप एनहांस कैसे करोगे खुद का. आप उसमें इंटीग्रेशन कैसे लाओगे वो आपके वीक में कैसे करोगे.
Medicine is like by my course.
नहीं क्योर
cure
विल
is
बी
by-
बाय मेडिसिन इज थोड़ा सा एक्सटेंडेड.
I got a little confused.
And the cure will be like, कि, oh, you like this?
Yeah,
This is working for
that's
you.
how we pitch now.
Come.
That's exactly how we pitch. See, you have a lot of problems with your brand, okay? You don't know about it. I know because I've done a case study. Here is how I will solve it. Pay me to solve it. और लोग तो चाहते हैं सर मैं डिजिटल मार्केटर हूँ, सर मैं आपकी सारी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर दूंगा।
सर 5,000 रुपए सर ऐड कर दूंगा सर आपके।
सर मैं फेसबुक कैंपेन ऐसा चलाऊंगा सर, फनल वगैरह क्रिएट कर दूंगा, सीटी आपका बाप लेवल चलेगा। वहाँ पे ओनर बैठा है, मेरे को कुछ नहीं समझा।
एक तो मेरे को ना ये मार्केटिंग वाले इंडस्ट्री में जो फ्रीलांसर्स आते हैं ना, उनसे थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम है, ठीक है। ऐसा फ्रीलांसर्स का इन द सेंस क्या प्रॉब्लम है कि आई हैव मेट पीपल हु आर चार्जिंग 2,000 rupees a month, giving out 70 posts a month with ads.
I think this has to be coming from the whole freelancing term, because now that we look into it, freelancing broadly कौन से niches में चलता है? There are 3 primary niches. One is content writing. Copy तो चला गया, copy अब सारी advertising agencies उठा रही है. There is content writing, there is designing, and then there is back-end engineering. IT नहीं समझे तो ये तीनों चीजें अभी चल रही है, and ये तीनों चीजें चलते ही आ रही है। It started from because content writing, when people look at it, यार इंग्लिश आती है मैं कर लूँगा, वो 5 साल चल गया भाई। अभी when you look at it, there is SEO. I know a lot of people will be googling all the terms that we are talking about.
You know, I personally as a content writer I have dealt with this problem so much. I have also encountered situations where people have told me कि मतलब you shouldn't be paid for what you're doing, you're just writing things.
Exactly, और it has fallen to such a standard that people are posting हिंदी के assignments लिख के दो 10 पैसे per word.
People
I don't know if additional मात्रा should I charge for it.
Yeah, I don't know. People are working for like legit jobs for 15,000 rupees, जहाँ पे दिन में वो 5 आर्टिकल्स लिख रहे हैं 5,000 वर्ड्स के।
घसना पड़ता है बहुत,
ठीक है, पूरा अमाउंट भी कर लिया महीने भर, मैंने 11 पैसे पे आके अटक जाती है उनकी बात।
मैं बता रही हूँ, मैं अभी एक लेवल पर पहुंची कि मैंने अभी कंटेंट का फ्रीलांसिंग बंद कर दिया, क्योंकि मुझे वो फाइनेंशियली नहीं पुरा रहा है, मुझे मेहनत के लिए।
It's a lot of hard work if you want.
And I remember I have ghost written 5 books.
I still ghostwrite for a lot of people.
I have ghost written 5 books. There was this one book, it was 500 pages. Now you can imagine the number of words there, 2,500 pages. How much do you think I got paid for that? Just take a guess.
Around 8K.
I got paid 3K, and that 3K was after fighting. And that's when I left content writing.
And that 3K also in installments of 1 each. Yeah.
Well, I think to be very rude to some people, मैं नहीं कह रहा हूँ कि if you are charging or you are getting paid, okay, it's not like मैं charge करने का जाऊँ तो मैं अपनी services खुद के बारे में post करके कितना भी charge कर सकता हूँ, client नहीं मिलेंगे ना।
मेरा charging का point मैं इसी पे आई थी, तो मैंने एक बहुत सा रियल लाइफ एग्जाम्पल के साथ क्या डील किया कि मैं एक एजेंसी एक ऐसे सर्विस प्रोवाइडर के पास गई, उनका सेंट्रली सब कुछ चलता है, ठीक है, मैं नाम नहीं लूँगी, उनकी सेंट्रली बहुत सारे ब्रांचेस हैं। मैं उनके पास गई एक फ्रेश पिच लेके, सब पिच हो गया, सब बात हो गई। वो बंदा से बैठा है, मेरे को बोलता है कि मैडम आपके पहले जो एजेंसी कर रही थी, हमारा जो भी कर रही थी, वो मेरे को दिन के 4 क्रिएटिव दे रही थी, 4 क्रिएटिव, यानी सो ही इज लाइक कि इंस्टाग्राम पे 2 पोस्ट, फेसबुक पे 2 पोस्ट, और चारों का डिफरेंट कंटेंट, समझ लो। ही टोल्ड मी मुझे इतना मिल रहा है, मुझे इतना मिल रहा है, इसका मैं महीने का 5,000 दे रहा हूँ और मुझे रोज दे रही है वो जो भी एजेंसी दे रही है।
Like to be honest, if this person is watching,
सर आप दे नहीं रहे, आप ले रहे हो।
नहीं, if this person is watching, चूतिए।
हाँ, और तुझे कुछ नहीं मिल रहा था, तू दे ही रहा था।
And I was उसके बाद मैंने बोल दिया, देखिए मेरे से नहीं होगा, मैं इतने कम रेट्स पे इतना तो नहीं करके दे सकती हूँ आपको, क्योंकि किससे करा रहा है, मैं डिजाइनर को कितना दूं, मैं खुद कितना रखूं, मैं एड्स में कितना डालूं, मैं मैनेजमेंट में कितना डालूं।
See, वही तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ ना कि it will be very rude to talk about it, but look at us. We are, even the cameraman here, we are coming from a place of privilege. We are sitting in a place where we can talk and record it as well. When you look at us, we are working, let's talk about a job, okay, 9 to 5 job, monotonous, fuck it, but you are getting paid around 30,000 to 50,000 ka bracket per month for working for 8 hours.
Correct.
A month, excluding all the benefits that you get. Now, when you look at a person like a laborer or a driver who's doing double the amount of shifts than you, and then getting paid much lesser, 8,000 से 12,000 का bracket रहता है जहाँ पे हमारा शुरू भी नहीं होता है. They're getting that much. So it's there. When you realize कि you are getting underpaid, it's time to step up your game. When you say कि oh I deserve more, do you? Do you really think you have the skill set to pull out money from your clients or your job offerers pockets. Whenever people say, oh no, I think I'm getting it. Like your epiphany happened, right? You had confidence in yourself that no, I can provide much better and your brand will do and operate much better than it is right.
So that is what happens sometimes when we are pitching when we're pitching our service to our clients. So of course when you send them a proposal, you have this in your mind कि हाँ यार कुछ ना कुछ तो negotiate हो गई, right? And in my head, I know because I make those proposals. I put that number there. I know
Quotations.
Yes. I have to do.
They
so.
never call it price because they always want to negotiate. They'll call it quotation only.
No. It's just that कि at a point when you have such hard to deal clients that you're like क्या tax भी charge करो क्या इनको? क्योंकि उसमें बोलेंगे इतना थोड़ी लगता है तो service है. इसमें थोड़ा लगेगा.
So again, I send them a proposal. I know इसमें इतना negotiation का margin है. For a fact, I know कि if I'm closing it at X price, if I can easily close it to the X price, X is my least. I'll always close it to X plus 2, right? So that to negotiate करना जितना करना है, वो X plus 2 पे आके रुकेगा. फिर ये आती हैं.
अच्छा.
X पे कर देते हैं ना यार. Negotiation के पहले कि अगर किया तो X पे कर देंगे. मतलब देख. So this is one bad thing about me, which works in my favor.
Luck.
Yeah, look again. That I don't budge down from whatever I've decided कि नहीं इससे नीचे तो नहीं होगा. But again, no, I'm saying when it's money.
Especially money.
I am that. Because अगर नीचे आते गए ना, that is devaluing my own skill.
यार वो work ethic पे भी थोड़ा सा फर्क पड़ता है ना यार क्या है जब मैं
Like sometimes people I have quoted them let's say 20,000 rupees और वो सीधे सामने बोलते हैं 8,000 में कर लो. तुम 100% से नीचे ले आए मेरा.
I have no words. I am just like that. I'm just looking at them. Sir, ये discount का percentage मेरे को समझाएंगे तो पता चलता है.
बोले आप 10 आप 15 या 10 पे नहीं आप सीधा 8 पे. 8 का क्या लॉजिक
ये
है?
फिर भी ठीक है. मैं एक बार एक क्लाइंट को पिच करने गई थी.
Anecdote time.
ठीक है. बहुत ही फन बात है हमेशा. ठीक है. वो मीटिंग में नमन नहीं आया था because he was under the weather. He is like कि ये मीटिंग तो चलेगा. ठीक है.
Was it COVID?
नहीं.
No.
नहीं.
Just migraine, stress.
Okay.
So I went to the client, I sat with her, I gave my pitch. It was going very well, okay?
Farming बहुत हो गई थी.
उसके लिए. So मैंने pitch कर दिया, सब हो गया. अभी मैंने उनको जो प्राइस दी थी, X प्राइस होगी, वो थी one entity की. जैसे अगर उनका
They had some brands also.
So if their brand name is ABC, मैंने ABC के अकाउंट्स या मैनेजमेंट के लिए X प्राइस बोला था. She says to me कि आप ABC भी करो और ABC plus 1 यानी मैं खुद एज ए डायरेक्टर मेरा भी अकाउंट करो and you do it in the price of one entity. He is saying कि 20 से 8 पे लाए ना, वो मेरे को डबल जो X plus X into 2 होना चाहिए था वो मेरे को X पे करने बोल रही थी. और मैंने बोला कि ये तो नहीं हो सकता है ना.
Sometimes when it's a personal brand now,
As an entity.
when somebody wants to become this influencer person, and to be honest, don't buy followers.
Yeah, please don't. Even as
Instagram will flag your account
individuals or not. I think I have a friend. Okay, I did my 11th and 12th from GS. Very bad college. Not gonna recommend it. There was this guy in my class. He was also fond of photography. Bike पे बैठना, छपरी.
एकदम.
101.
निब्बा.
Yeah, नहीं वो भी नहीं.
अच्छा.
Very big personality. So my friend sent me his photo. Yesterday he was playing carom, wearing shades and a fucking revolver here. Fake थी.
Okay.
चल गई तो हो जाएगा फिर. तो I see कि okay ठीक है 33 likes fine. उसमें ना followers देखना एक बार 9,304.
Oh, nice. 33 likes.
पहले 32 इंडोनेशियन नेम्स हैं.
Of course.
क्योंकि वो bots हैं. If you think even as a person who's not you're not giving anyone to manage your account, don't buy bots. If you are doing marketing, I think you should be bashed from the society of marketeers. That you're सब organic बोलते but until and unless you're doing paid ads, otherwise pay करके followers या reach लाना.
Yeah, do not buy followers because
अरे कितने क्लाइंटों ने सामने से आके बोला कि यार अपन वो करते हैं ना.
अरे हाँ
एक बार तो एक क्लाइंट ने बैक एंड में कर दिया, ठीक है, अकाउंट मेरे पास था, मेरा एक्सेस छूट गया अकाउंट का, क्योंकि
अकाउंट हफ्ते भर के लिए शैडो है, ना पोस्ट हो रहा है, ना कुछ हो रहा है, ना डिलीट हो रहा है।
इंस्टाग्राम पर ये एक्शन नहीं हो सकती, कोई एक्शन नहीं हो रही थी अकाउंट पे।
It's very funny how naive people are, and when you look at their work, you know, even the doctor that you were talking about, there are people when I, as a kid, I'm 19, I as a kid adore doctors, so you're gonna study, you're gonna work your ass off for 5 years. Of course, you'll be getting paid if you find a good job, but 5 years is a huge time. And you're doing that, and then you're seeing कि ये तो ऐसे हो जाता है. सर आपके लिए ना अगर किडनी ट्रांसप्लांट करना छोटी चीज है तो ये छोटी चीज
मैं भी कल आके बोलता हूँ कि करने क्या है, उठा के निकाल ली तो
हाँ,
ऐसी हो जाती।
आपकी प्रोफाइल की एनाटॉमी बॉडी नहीं
वही
है।
तो सोसाइटी का प्रॉब्लम है। अगर कल जाके एक बच्चा पेरेंट्स को बोल रहा है कि मुझे डॉक्टर बनना है, पेरेंट्स बोलेंगे या बच्चा बहुत सही, जाके कर। वही बच्चा पेरेंट्स को जाके बोल रहा है कि मुझे डिजिटल मार्केटिंग सीखनी है, मुझे मार्केटिंग सीखनी है। अब वो 12वीं वाला बच्चा सीधा एमबीए तो नहीं बोलेगा ना, वो पहले कोई तो भी बेसिक डिग्री बोलेगा,
कोर्स करेगा,
डिग्री करेगा। माँ बाप बोलेंगे ये मत कर, इंजीनियरिंग कर या ये कर या वो कर, फिर एमबीए कर लेना।
आई थिंक कि ये सबलिमिनल लेवल पे ना पेरेंट्स का चलता है कि दे आर एक्सेप्टिंग इट, ओके, पार्शियली
आजकल
पार्शियली। और जब ये लोग कमेंट्स बोलते हैं ना कि इंजीनियरिंग कर, बिकॉज़ दे नो दैट यू आर नॉट गोना एंजॉय इंजीनियरिंग एंड यू विल ड्रॉप आउट विद लाइक हेट्रेड, एंड देन यू विल बी लाइक अब ये पूरी जी जान ना मैं अपने स्टार्टअप में लगाऊंगा, so they know you will not be burnt out because we have planted the seed of hatred in your heart.
That's
wishful thinking. What you are doing is wishful
They
thinking.
are thinking on so many levels that you can't even imagine, and then you realize हाँ यार पापा ये तो मेरी हैं, क्या ही करेंगे? You know, even when you are saying that you guys have a passion, poetry, music per se, I also have a pretentious passion of filmmaking. But
It's not pretentious.
it's not pretentious, it's just
thank you for making me feel good.
No, it's not about that. I know so many people are doing so well in
No,
filmmaking.
but it's not even about doing well. It's about the time that I'm currently giving it to. See, society is so fucked up at this point.
Agreed.
Ki as you're saying that you have a passion, I have witnessed people who are entering the Gen Z.
yeah.
Oh my god.
Who you are about 25?
It's-
Welcome to the millennial club.
Yes.
Gen Z.
ना I refuse, मैं उठ के चला जाएगा, Gen Z नहीं बोलने का।
I mean 2000 के बाद वाले हैं जिनसे।
I'm 99.
तो
एक साल से बच गई हूँ मैं।
हाँ ठीक है भाई, मैं Gen
तुम
Z।
दोनों ट्रांजिशन
हाँ।
में।
मुझे-
मैं Gen Z में गधा, ठीक है? और मेरे जनरेशन के लोग nowadays that I'm seeing कि there is drive, okay? एक तो सबसे पहली चीज कि this whole indoor thing has resulted in a downfall of energy.
Yeah.
We are so dependent on this.
Coffee.
Yeah, I'm not even talking about you guys. क्योंकि सुबह उठ के I know how much energy I have even after a good sleep नहीं रहती है because I'm inclined. ठीक है, shamelessly admitting it. But the lack of drive that people have, and it's not even like, oh, you don't have any drive, get off your butt and get to work. No, you need to have something. We are having two things. You having sociology as a career and then doing music and poetry. I'm doing outreach as...
But I totally agree with you. Like, I have so many people around me who in the pandemic did nothing.
Yeah, we have two things.
Exactly.
We have two things, right? To be dependent on, they have nothing.
See,
Like,
I
know
not even
people
pandemic.
who got up at like 3 p.m.
No, if they're getting their work done, no shame in it.
नहीं मैं बोल रही हूँ कि 3 बजे उठ रहे हैं, बिंज कर रहे हैं दिन भर, काम कुछ नहीं हो रहा है। अरे मैं ये नहीं बोल रही हूँ डिग्री के लिए प्रोडक्टिव कर या पढ़ाई कर लिया, ये कुछ तो कर
Could be
ले।
productive. I mean, you know,
Do gardening for fuck's sake. You do
Exactly.
something.
I mean, when you're binging,
Not only farming but gardening.
gardening also, you know, that helps.
Yeah.
Basically farming.
बहुत कीड़े आते हैं just.
That's basically farming only. So.
Yeah.
But like you get really pretty butterflies also if you are good at it.
Yeah, nice. But again,
Content.
promo कटा है ये promo.
Butterflies कहाँ से?
Promo तो वो रहेगा, please cut this.
नहीं, please.
वो promo रहेगा.
Yeah. So we were talking about drive. You know, I think the only thing that people, the kids, the 19-year-olds and whatever are apart from few people, of course, जो चीज उनको ड्राइव कर रही है वो सिर्फ ये है सोशल मीडिया पे प्रोटेस्ट कैसे करना है.
हाँ, it's rage. It's rage in your
It's not
pajamas.
drive.
It's
Yeah.
rage in your pajamas.
You know, honestly, it's not even rage, it's not even any of that, it's just how am I going to be relevant?
Yeah.
And then you're not putting enough effort to be
Then you
relevant.
choose the cheapest way, which is social media.
My point is, you want to be relevant, you want to protest, you want to do things, do them. Don't just talk about them. Don't just pretend that you know about
because the
them.
majority of people on internet, I think internet was a mistake. 'Cause, you know, 2000 के बाद वाले हैं वो सिर्फ ये है सोशल मीडिया पे प्रोटेस्ट कैसे करना है. हाँ, इट्स नॉट ड्राइव.
Yeah, ball कीड़े आते हैं just.
It's you know, because of the majority of
मैं अपना business है बाबा, नहीं बोल
I
रहे।
was also thinking about it, but I think in the last 20 years, there is supposed to be, philosophy or what do you call it, जो भी दिमाग की anthropology or something, anthropology, जो भी उसके
sociology.
very different.
Sociology, brand rock.
Entrepreneurship, everything is part of it.
Sociology, brand rock.
Yeah. nice, very nice outreach. Whenever we are talking about a century ending, 90s and फिर internet became a big thing in 2001, 2, 3, 4 and still continuing. I think if internet नहीं होता, civilization ऐसा दिया रहना turn इतना गंदा वाला, क्योंकि internet became a thing when it became relevant to everyone. Facebook didn't do it, stocks did it.
Yeah.
I think when companies started building their own websites, when there were ads, YouTube तो I think Facebook ने जितना नहीं किया उतना YouTube ने किया.
YouTube ने किया है.
In 8 or 6, 2006 I think. But जो 1, 2, 3 में हुआ वो सिर्फ और सिर्फ stock market trading. Computers became relevant because there was such a huge market.
Information trading came into picture, ना?
When I say because of the majority of people, again, what you're saying because of stock market and everything, people who are investing and doing things.
People like me are earning 20k per day.
Exactly, but you guys are minority.
Yeah, true.
The majority is जिसके बारे में बात कर रहे थे, rage filled people, people,
no direction, no drive.
people with no knowledge, people with no information, different
People
things.
who are just out there to judge you and spread hate, okay? So,
Listen, fuck you. इधर से फेंक के मारूंगा सब कुछ हो जाएगा. वो ऐसे comments कर सकता है. I mean, it's on such extremes कि we are not civilized, man. We are not civilized.
See, that's the whole circle, no? That's the majority.
Yeah.
Internet was a mistake because of this majority. See, we have come to that conclusion.
Yeah, so I just disagreed with you and proved your point.
And proved my point, right? So,
I want to say this one thing out if it's gonna go out in the podcast, right? Ki the choice to consume is yours, the choice to judge is yours, but the choice to hate and portray that hate is not yours. Because today if someone comments on my picture and comments about my body type and comments about how I carry myself, I am gonna carry that one comment till I go to bed.
Right, you don't know, you just typed it in like 15 seconds with
Exactly.
चार typos.
उसका effect क्या
हाँ, वो
होगा?
चार typos, but when the person reads it, मैं बता देता हूँ, I do things very quickly. If I think about them for a long time, मैं करता नहीं हूँ. I started outreach in 2 days. I started digital marketing in 5 days. Researching about it for years. But मैंने services 5 दिन में provide करना, ये परसों decide हुआ है. ज़हन के साथ परसों shoot हुआ है. तो ये मैंने बस कर दिया. नहीं कर पाना तो नहीं होता. वो फिल्म भी वैसी बनती है. मेरी सेकंड वैसी बनती है, थर्ड भी वैसी बनेगी. एंड देन आई रियलाइज कि हाँ ये लोग भी कमेंट ना अपने इम्पल्स भी करते हैं.
Correct.
मेरे को इम्पल्सिवली आई टेल यू एंडोर टाइम, ठीक है? अभी किताब रिलीज हुई, ठीक है?
हम लोग कवर डाल देंगे.
Amazon पे पहला रिव्यू आया. पहला रिव्यू बहुत नेगेटिव था, ठीक है? वो रिव्यू में लिखा था कि इट्स अ लाइफ स्टोरी ऑफ अ नाइव गर्ल हु थिंक्स दैट शी नोज टू मच बट डज नॉट, ऐसा कुछ तो भी था. और मैं बहुत डिसहार्टन हो गई, ठीक है? क्योंकि पहला किताब प्रिंट में था. देखो सोशल मीडिया पे नेगेटिविटी मैं हो गई थी यूज्ड टू.
पर्सनल लेवल पे it was a huge accomplishment. You said that you wanted to write it since you were a child.
Exactly. तो मैं बहुत डिसहार्टन होकर बैठी. मैंने नमन को कॉल किया. मैंने बोला नमन बुक मेरे को लिस्टिंग से हटानी है, बहुत बेकार लिखी है मैंने, नहीं करते हैं, हटा देते हैं बुक. तो तब मुझे वही चीज समझाया कि मतलब जिसने कमेंट किया है उसने किताब लिखी भी नहीं है. तूने लिखी ना. गलतियां तो सबसे होती है और गलती नहीं है, तेरा किताब बहुत अच्छा है. इट्स आर्ट. जिसको अच्छा लगेगा उसको लगेगा, जिसको नहीं लगेगा जिसको नहीं लगेगा.
It's subjective.
It's subjective. And then he calmed me down for so long, but people would
No.
Just-
I just don't care about people. That's
no. And
I think you should be the bade bhaiya of everyone.
so I honestly, like, if anyone watching her is that one person who just goes out and gives out negativity, don't do it. Because there is someone on the receiving end who's actually changing their lives. And I know it's stupid. I know I shouldn't be thinking.
It's not stupid. I know कि अगर 200 साल पहले sentiments hurt होने की बात होती तो पब्लिक में झगड़ा करने से होता. But अगर अभी वो इंटरनेट पे है, if your whole life we are digital and social
नहीं,
media.
और क्या हुआ, उसने वो Amazon पे डाला ना रिव्यू. अब जो भी बंदा मेरी किताब खरीदने आएगा वो नहीं खरीदेगा. तो मेरे दिमाग में वो एक साइकिल चालू हो गया कि ब्रो सीरियस नहीं होंगे.
Is anything worth it?
हाँ, बट ठीक है. उसके happy about it.
Congratulations.
But I still there's something at the back of my head कि नहीं यार वो किताब और 10 times better हो सकती थी. अब मैंने उसको पॉजिटिव वे में खुद के लिए कन्वर्ट कर लिया at this point कि मे बी मैं अगली किताब में ये चेंज करूँगी वो चेंज करूँगी. तो इनिशियल जो 2 महीना था ना वो मेरे लिए इतना डिफिकल्ट है. मैं रोई हूँ रात रात भर कि मैंने क्या कर दिया. मैंने ये पोएम क्यों डाली, ये डालनी चाहिए थी, ये डालनी चाहिए थी, वो डालनी चाहिए थी. इतनी लिखी हुई है, यही 20 क्यों सिलेक्ट हुई.
See, and that is, ये तो अपन बहुत पर्सनल उस पे बात कर रहे हैं ना. It becomes, because of the same reason, it becomes very difficult for us to make content for a brand.
Yeah,
Because वहाँ पे आके
अगर hate आएगा तो brand we will be the responsible one.
ब्रांड में तूने क्यों बनाया.
हाँ, and
पहले तो अग्री कर लेगा.
you know अभी ऑडियंस क्या बोलेगी कि तो क्या हम कमेंट भी नहीं कर सकते क्या, अबे तेरा धंधा बंद करवा देंगे, एग्जैक्ट कर देंगे. अरे देखो भाई बात वो नहीं है. It's about your philosophy. Think about what you are doing, why you are doing it. If you are spreading hate is a very broad.
See, creative, constructive criticism is one thing and hatred is one thing.
Also, it's like entrepreneurship. Very difficult to understand.
Yeah.
There is a very thin gap between criticism and hatred, as I said.
Yeah.
If you are capable, you know what? I think ki it's such a shame as creators. We have to succumb to this thing ki, you know what? There will be hate. People will not change because we're talking about the majority.
Yeah.
Pajama raisers, we can't change you anytime soon. It's just that it's a shame, but we have to do it.
It's so shameful that I tell this to 16-year-old mentees that come to me कि देखो बच्चा तुम लोग जब डालोगे ना Instagram पे चीजें बाहर, लोग आएंगे तुमको बुरा फील कराने आएंगे, उनको इग्नोर करके तुम तुम्हारा
It's
content
like the army thing, right? They beat your ass 24/7 just so कि अगर तेरे को गोली पड़े ना तो you will know कि आउ नहीं करना. You know where to get the medic to. It's the army thing. You have to train. I know it's a shame, but it's the reality. It's like the women's safety in India.
See, that's why I think I shouldn't be a mentor to somebody because I'll just teach them 2 things. Fuck and you. That's all. Do that.
So now I want to talk about, since Raging Pajamas has sparked this question in me. We were talking about this pehle bhi, how hustle and grind should be the norm.
Yeah.
Now with it comes the whole psychology thing of getting burnt out quickly. And being burnt out leads to losing motivation.
Yeah.
It leads to even suicidal tendencies because when you lose motivation, you start having thoughts whether you're good enough, whether the journey that you had sparked is good enough, worth it, etc., etc. When you guys tell or when you guys quote yourself of being entrepreneurs or being the founders, co-founders of Sociology as a business, when you say that you started, how old are you?
26.
How old are you?
21.
And you started earning at an age of, not regularly, just your
16.
first paycheck, 16. Yours?
19.
Yeah, mine was 14. So I am like कि 300 रुपए कमाने में भी ego तो है.
Correct.
And when it comes to grinding and hustling, you know, when you say कि passion follow करना है तो तब करना जब तुम्हारा free time रहे, because stimulation सबसे ज़्यादा होता है. People are, you know, I follow Gary Vee closely क्योंकि the guy is a god. जो भी किया है बहुत अच्छे किया है. उसका ईगो इज द ईगो दैट यू शुड फॉलो. मैं नहीं दूंगा टाइम ना, मेरे पास 32 और को. बट विद इट कम्स द होल 24/7 7 days a week 366 days a year. David Goggins, you can't hurt me. You know, Nick Bare, 25 hours a day. I'm not blaming them. The people who follow them religiously have this mentality. सुबह उठ गए ना, 5 AM routine, एलो वेरा लगा के कट करना. वो वाला मुझे समझता नहीं है बिकॉज मेहनत तो करना है ना. मेकिंग इट इजी इज आल्सो अ थिंग.
सी इसमें मुझे लगता है कि वो जो हसल मेंटालिटी है, जो ग्राइंड वाला आप बोल रहे
आई एम द विक्टिम.
हाँ कि भाई मैं इतनी मेहनत कर रही हूँ, मैं इतना ये कर रही हूँ, फिर मुझे ये मिल रहा है. मेरे को लगता है ये बुलशिट है. अगर तू जो काम 24 घंटे में कर रही है मैं 4 घंटे में करके दे रही हूँ तो कौन ज्यादा एफिशिएंट है.
It's not even about comparing, you know, it's about the whole philosophy.
अरे वो नहीं है क्या वो फेक वाला बिल गेट्स का ये आता है जो कोट, I would not hire a hardworking guy. I would hire a lazy person because he'll do it in he'll find newer ways.
Yeah,
I'm like, no, the lazy person will also do it in 6 hours. He'll just get up on the 5 hour and 30 minute का मार्क. He'll do it in 30 minutes. But
अगर आप उसे बोल रहे हो as you know perceiving it as an efficiency basis पे bro,
so नहीं
उसी मीटिंग पे भी बुलाओगे वो कॉफी पे लेना ही रहेगा.
Yeah, but that lazy person will be a happier person because बाकी 5.5 घंटे उसको जो करना है वो कर रहा है, आधे घंटे में आपका काम कर रहा है, पैसा ले रहा है।
Also very less stressed क्योंकि वो 5 घंटे जो आदमी स्ट्रेस लेने वाला है वो सिर्फ आधे घंटे
में स्ट्रेस लेके आधे घंटे डिलीवर कर
मुझे
देता
लगता है वो हसल मेंटालिटी या ग्राइंड मेंटालिटी ने एक क्या बुरी चीज की है कि if you are not productive 24/7, if you are chilling for let's say 1 hour, 2 hour, going out, meeting friends, living a life, you are what you can say pushed into feeling guilty.
Yeah, it's self harm in a sort.
हाँ, कि तू एंजॉय कैसे कर रही है, तेरे को सक्सीड करना है तो तू एंजॉय नहीं कर
Look at your
सकती।
peers who are killing it, you know.
Yeah.
When I throw around the concept of entrepreneurship or earning at an early age, let's take examples. When we see the people who have killed it in the industry, they are the ones who killed it when they were 24, 25,
Correct.
and they are considered as the young ones. Oh, they
Yeah.
broke it at 24. What are you doing at 24? You guys belong to the spectrum. अभी मेरा 20 का bracket भी नहीं लगा है, तो I'm a little chill. But they have broke the barrier at 24, 25. They started when they were 16.
Yeah.
I think Steve Jobs was working somewhere when he was
Yeah.
16, already got the scholarship and part-time वगैरह वगैरह McDonald's ना करके उसने grind तो किया ही है. But I as a person or a business runner or a hustler, I take myself too seriously. I think कि I push myself too hard. This I'm doing this podcast is in our recreational time.
Yeah.
तो जब मेरे को छुट्टी लेना रहेगा मैं सोएगा या फिर इसको edit करेगा.
Correct.
And that's me being too hard on myself. But when you realize कि it's one step at a time, it's a slow thing. It's like momentum में चीज. It's the snowball effect.
See, that is me. I love to work, right? And when I say I love to work,
आयता नहीं चाहिए. The whole
हाँ,
the
नहीं
whole thing is
when I say no, नहीं वो नहीं, मेरे को आयता चलेगा, but to be very honest, very practical about it.
मिल रहा है तो क्यों नहीं मिल रहा?
free money, but it's from an ethical point of view. It's subjective.
I was going to say I'm unethical, but no.
लॉ की डिग्री लेके मुझे एक चीज जो लॉ ने सिखाई है ना वो यही है कि मोरालिटी सब्जेक्टिव है, तेरी जो मॉडल है वो मेरे लिए नहीं है।
Yeah, but again, I love to work, and when I say I love to work, by that I mean one thing is that जैसे मैं खाली होता हूँ ना, मेरे को लगाता है अब क्या करना है?
Yeah, the next time.
What am I supposed to do now? अगर मेरी मीटिंग है कोई, मैं 5 बजे करके आया हूँ और मेरे पास 6 से 8 का टाइम है जहाँ मैं शांति से बैठे कुछ खा सकता हूँ, दोस्तों के साथ बैठ सकते हैं, हम अकेले बैठ सकते हैं, एनीथिंग यू कैन डू एनीथिंग। वो मैं 2 घंटा ये सोच के टेंशन लाता हूँ यार अपन वो मीटिंग करके आए, इफ दैट डज नॉट टर्न आउट व्हाट डू वी हैव नेक्स्ट?
Same.
राइट?
And I am totally opposite. If I am working 16 hours a day, मुझे मैथ्स नहीं करना है, वो 24 में माइनस करके
8
If I'm working 16 hours a day and I have 8 hours for myself, तो वो 8 घंटे में मैं जो कर रही हूँ मैं वो एंजॉय करके करती हूँ, यानी
There's no guilt.
There's no guilt. जैसे नमन बोल रहा है कि हम दोनों 5 बजे सेम मीटिंग को गए, अभी 8 बजे नेक्स्ट मीटिंग है, फिर से दोनों को साथ में जाना है, दोनों 5 से 8 के बीच में भी साथ में ही है। सोचा कि चलो कैफे जाते
You
हैं।
guys have the benefit of enjoying with your business partner.
See, I'm giving an example कि हम दोनों let's say कैफे, अगर हम डेट भी नहीं कर रहे होते, दोस्त भी होते, मैं तेरे साथ भी जा रही हूँ, अपन 5 बजे मीटिंग को गए, 8 बजे अपनी मीटिंग है, बीच में 3 घंटे का गैप है। If you are नमन के मेंटालिटी वाला पर्सन, what नमन does is he's like मतलब इसमें ये हुआ, ये गलत हुआ, ये सही हुआ, ये गलत हुआ, अगले में ये नहीं करेंगे, वो नहीं करेंगे, उसके 3 घंटे निकल जाते हैं। वही वो 3 घंटे में मैं चिल करूंगी, हंसूंगी, जोक मारूंगी, एक फ्रेंड को कॉल करूंगी, एक कॉफी पी लूंगी।
So that happens with, of course, that happens with different personalities, and that's why if you are working with somebody, make sure you're not working with somebody like you.
Yeah, it's,
a lot of people say that यार मैं सोच तो रहा हूँ करने का, but मेरे जैसा कोई मिल नहीं रहा। Don't find people like you.
Because find them to compete.
Yeah, so you need a compliment, because when you say colors, you always say black and white. You never say black and black.
You say grey. It's the mixture.
Black gray, black white, grey white, whatever.
Settle on one, it's grey. It's not even like it. Yeah, when I say about being too hard on yourself, even if you both are polar opposites, if you are saying you are enjoying even 3 minutes that you get, you will watch the bitches video or anything.
अरे मैं तो ये माइंडसेट की बंदी हूँ कि अगर मैं ऐसे घर के नीचे खड़ी हूँ, इसको आने को 5 मिनट लगा, मैं फट से कुछ तो भी खोलूंगी, बिंज कर लूंगी मैं वो 5 मिनट।
And for me, that 4 minutes are dreadful.
Yeah,
I'm
like,
every second.
I'm wasting time.
Yeah, and
like इसको थोड़ा स्टीरियोटाइप है बट ये हर बार आता है, मैं हर बार लेट करती हूँ क्योंकि आई हैव अ कैट. So every time I'm leaving the house, my cat acts up. He does not let me leave the house.
It's a male cat.
It's a male cat. So there's
It keeps getting worse.
a cycle that I do every time. मेरे को पता है अभी कि अगर मेरे को 5 बजे नीचे
Yeah,
जाना है,
routine.
हाँ,
There's a checklist.
हाँ checklist है. तो अगर मेरे को 5 बजे नीचे उतरना है, ये 5 बजे पहुंच जाएगा, very punctual. मैं हमेशा 5 को ही नीचे जाती हूँ.
And in my head, am I?
Punctual?
हाँ?
Punctual?
आज तो
Government office.
क्या बोलते हैं? Things that were not in my control that are.
नहीं तो मेरी स्टोरी तो कभी कह तो मेरे को नीचे 5 को पहुंचना है, ठीक है. मेरे को अब पता चल गया ना, बिल्ला आके तो 1 साल हो गया. मेरे को पता चल गया मेरे को 5 मिनट लगेगा, तो मैं 4:55 को नहीं रेडी होंगी नीचे उतरने के लिए. मैं 5 बजे होती हूँ क्योंकि मैं नालायक हूँ. वो 5 मिनट ये इतना रेस्टलेस हो जाएगा नीचे. 6 कॉल करेगा वो 5 मिनट में वो मुझे.
Because in my head, I could have used or we could have used that 5 minutes कुछ और करने के लिए. Maybe बस खड़े होके.
It's the thought of कि जब से आँख खुली और बंद नहीं हुई ना, I have to be engaged with something,
Yeah.
and then you start feeling like consuming content.
Yeah.
Recreational purpose is so fucking inferior. I'd rather invest in a course for 30 minutes, and then I'll be greater than you or greater for myself.
No. For example, when I'm मेरा recreational time, right? I'm just sitting idle, don't have anything to do. I just go on reels, okay? Now other people are watching reels and laughing.
No, you're starting.
I'm watching reels and figuring out, oh, what's the trend?
Yeah.
Okay, go to notes, write a trend.
हफ्ते में 30 और 15 का साइकिल अलग है. Some days 30 are trending, some days 15 are trending, and then you realize, okay, the people who are dancing are doing it smart.
Right. So now I've figured out 5 trends.
Yeah.
Now I'll close the reels. I'll go to the reels ka audio and then start searching what's the most funniest patch of it, or what's that patch and lyrics में कुछ बोला है which I can make fun of. Then I go to my notes, reel ideas. I have 59 reel ideas right now. I haven't made one out of it. क्यों? क्योंकि reel लिखने का टाइम था, रिसर्च करने का, बना के डालने का
जब तक कि वो
ये
हो गया,
बहुत-
then she comes out and you're like, चलो.
ये बहुत डिग्निफाइड वे में खुद को डिस्क्राइब कर रहा है. इट्स समथिंग एज सिंपल एज हम लोगों ने डिसाइड किया आज संडे है, छुट्टी का दिन है, मिलते हैं, मूवी देखते हैं. अब मैं ऐसी हूँ कि मैं बोलूंगी कि कोई पुरानी मूवी भी देख लेते हैं, ठीक है. ये पुराने नए का कॉन्वर्सेशन है, ठीक है, जॉनर का नहीं है. ज्यादा बकचोद मूवीज वो देखता है, मैं ज्यादा सीरियस देखती हूँ, मैं अग्री करती हूँ.
I watch Golmaal Fun Unlimited so many times.
No, you are refuting my point. Wait.
Yeah.
So every time we open Netflix, I am someone जिसको पुरानी कोई मूवी देखनी होती है. He is someone कुछ तो भी नया देखते हैं. वो नया देखने के पीछे एंजॉयमेंट का पर्पस नहीं होता है. मार्केट में क्या ट्रेंड चल रहा है, क्या कंटेंट. मैंने बोला एक दिन तो एंजॉय करने
So
का ही बैठ
no,
के.
I enjoy
Maybe there's a
doing that.
personality trait,
I
right? Maybe
enjoy
that will
doing
never go away. When he's like 80, you are very observational person.
Oh, I have no
Very
idea.
judgmental also.
AK, yeah, yes, very. AK was the AK, right? Netflix.
Yeah.
A very shitty movie, but I enjoyed it.
Yeah, I couldn't get a chance to watch.
I did. See, so now I am not enjoying it because of the story,
Yeah.
because there is none.
Yeah. It's a satire.
Yeah, I am enjoying it because of the camera work.
Oh yeah,
Right?
the technical
कि-
part.
Yeah, the tech. So I watch anything इतना deeply, yeah, I watch Golmaal.
Yeah.
जहाँ I see welcome, where I don't have to use my brain at all.
See, I think you guys are at a point where you have lived lives, okay? You guys have lived a period, क्योंकि मेरे उम्र के बच्चे आके जाग चुके हैं. Suicide joke, sorry, but आके जा चुके हैं. And
Honey, I get your point. हम शहर के बाहर रह लिए अकेले.
No. You guys are older than me, okay?
हाँ.
But you are at a point where you need to have energy to work.
Yeah.
Now I'm 19. I sleep, not boasting, but this is a very unethical way to live. I sleep around 4 to 5 hours a day. Sunday बीत जाता है. दिन का है. I'm living a stoner's life while not smoking. It's just that.
Okay.
Or maybe I am. You never know.
Yeah, you never know if he's farming or gardening.
Yeah, exactly. And
just
Can we not make it more obvious? Thank you.
Or
And
just
let's
buying
move on.
our eyes are not red yet. But the thing that I'm saying is so unethical way of living that I despise myself. I'm like, fuck you. I have reached at a point where I have stopped making others feel inferior and I have started it on myself. कि when you change your group ना, you're like ये बेशरम फिटियाल लोग को हटाओ. Now let's look at the people who are killing it. Now there's this friend who's earning lakhs in Bitcoin. Now I should know that he started trading with 5,000 capital. I'm like यार मैं महीने का 2 लाख कहाँ से कमाऊँ? I need to have that capital. I want to make a movie. I know how to get the capital, but I'm just so restless. What if I get 5 lakhs and I can make it? But if
No, my best friend is just like you, okay? She is this kind of person कि वो लाइफ में कितना भी अच्छा कर ले, वो 4 उससे बेटर लोग ढूंढेगी, खुद को कंपेयर करेगी
और सैड हो जाएगी
और इतनी सैड हो जाएगी और आप नहीं बोलिए ये चीज, आप एग्जैक्टली सेम
अरे but when you channel that energy somewhere ना, it's like you despise yourself being वो जो Gen Z का है, जो Euphoria ने बहुत ज़्यादा the show ने फैलाया under the sheets, find substances and just be sad. Otherwise, be a little cringe and just channel that energy into something productive.
Yeah.
So in terms of digital marketing and in terms of us running our company, okay, we started 3 months ago. ये 3 महीने में नमन ने इतना रिसर्च कर लिया है, उसने टॉप एजेंसीज निकाल लिए, उसने हमारे टॉप कॉम्पिटिटर्स निकाल लिए, उसने ये भी निकाल लिया कि इनके जैसा बनना है, इनके लेवल पे आना है, ये करना है. और अब एक दिन क्या हुआ, रैंडमली रात को 2 बजे मुझे कॉल आता है, मतलब अपन एक काम करते हैं ना, अपन सोशियोलॉजी बंद करते हैं. मैंने बोला भाई क्यों 2 बज रहे रात के, क्यों ऐसा कॉल कर? यार XYZ जो लेवल पे है ना, अपन कभी पहुंच नहीं पाएंगे.
Yeah, it's the same.
मैंने बोला आप कौन होते हो?
अरे मेरे को ये thoughts hit करते हैं रात में, okay, when I'm just like today, you know what, I have half an hour so that I can sleep for 4 hours. तो अभी मेरे पास आधा घंटा है, I can enjoy ताकि मैं कल 5 घंटे सो पाऊंगा. मैं वो आधा घंटा सोच लिया, मतलब चिल कर लिया, close my laptop, सोने गया हूँ. What if there are no startups anymore?
So it's
Whom do I pitch to? मेरे को कोई
I get it.
एजेंसी के बजट रखने वाला मेरे को तो हायर करेगा नहीं. Let's fuck the services that I'm providing, fuck the quality. यार अगर startups और cafes रन होना बंद हो गए, there are no new ones coming in. Whom do I pitch to?
अरे एकदम ऐसा इतना रिसेंट एग्जांपल दे, लॉकडाउन आया अभी नागपुर में, अभी एक हफ्ता भी नहीं, अभी आया है. संडे रात को सर मेरे को 11 बजे मैसेज करते हैं, मधुरा लॉकडाउन आ रहा है, 31 तारीख तक एक्सटेंड होने के चांसेस है, अपन एक काम करते हैं ना, अपन 3 महीने के लिए नॉन ऑपरेशनल हो जाते हैं.
Well, the whole thing is, I think what we are doing now currently, so we both are.
नहीं मैं पूरी तो सुन तो ठीक है, नॉन ऑपरेशनल हो जाते हैं. तो मैंने बोला क्यों? तो बोले यार देख, जो हॉस्पिटैलिटी वाले क्लाइंट्स हैं उनका तो धंधा बंद हो जाएगा, शटर डाल के वगैरह है. जो बाकी इंडस्ट्रीज के क्लाइंट है उनका भी डीलरशिप या रिटेल स्टोर्स में कहीं जा रहा होगा, तो वो भी स्टोर्स पे रिस्ट्रिक्शंस आ गए, ये हो गया है, वो हो गया है, मार्केटिंग बजट कम हो जाएगा, वो सब हो जाएगा. मैंने बोला नमन, अपन ने कंपनी पैंडेमिक में खोली है.
Exactly.
अपन ने कंपनी ऐसे टाइम पे खोली है जब मार्केट में मार्केटिंग का पैसा इतना था. और अपन ने वो एक्सप्लॉइट किया है, तो आप 1 हफ्ते के लॉकडाउन से क्यों डर रहे हो?
Exactly.
फिर ये सब मैंने उसको शांत किया. फिर नेक्स्ट डे उसने मुझे माइंडसेट समझाया, तब मेरे को एक्चुअली समझा कि ये ग्राइंड मेंटालिटी और ये हसल मेंटालिटी ने क्या बर्बादी की.
It's the yin and yang.
Yeah.
You guys have that. You guys have each other for it. I have this podcast.
I am telling you,
I am
no.
so petty.
I hate the hustle mentality and grind mentality because I can see it on such a close basis.
Yeah.
I can, so for him, why is it scary? Because for a week he won't have work. And he's like 7 days of my life, I
Just
won't
here.
have work.
I just got this tattoo
Yeah.
recently, right?
Balance.
It says balance. Just for the sake of it, कि I just have to see it and remind myself that I need a balance in my life, which is work aside and my personal life.
No, you know, even when we talk about goals, it's like, चलो अभी जो ट्रेंड चल रहा है गोल का, till 40 you want to be financially independent.
बहुत ही फकॉल है यार.
You wanna-
मुझे ये बोल देना है कि ये फकॉल है.
नहीं, you want to retire at 40.
बहुत फकॉल है.
हाँ ठीक है, you want to. I think कि until I am at a place where my body will stop functioning, I want to work.
Exactly.
I want to do something. Martin Scorsese is making films when he's 75.
मैं करूँगा क्या नहीं तो 40 के बाद.
हाँ मैं मतलब पैसे कमा, हाँ ठीक है, खा पी रहा हूँ, अब क्या? What I
आप तो
start.
मर ही जाओगे.
I can't constantly play PlayStation.
Yeah.
और call
I
friends की
think
FIFA खेलते हैं.
you reach 40, you retire, 41, you'll never reach.
पता है हसल मेंटालिटी ने इसके लाइफ में सबसे बेकार बेकार चीज क्या की है?
क्या?
2 साल पहले की बात है, सर के पास PS3 था, एक दिन उठ के बेच दिया, क्यों? टाइम वेस्ट हो रहा है, काम नहीं कर पा रहा।
No, I actually sold it because, to be very honest, I don't call a lot of people home, right?
Very close circle.
A very close circle. I think
he's not the kind of guy कि जो आपको घर पे बुलाएगा.
I think
I don't like calling people over, neither going to their places.
No, I like going to their places.
Okay, free food.
Yeah, no. Free place. No, I don't have to clean it later. No? So, but jokes apart, I don't call people home because I think यार वो बहुत limited, कहीं ना कहीं एक वो जो होती ना exclusivity की जो बात कर रहे थे अपन कि if you come to my home, that means I trust you too much.
Yeah.
Now, if you fuck it up,
you become vulnerable.
Yeah.
That you know about me a lot.
So,
kid you not, relationship का 1.5 साल होने के बाद मैं उसके घर गई थी and he came to my place 3rd month of the relationship.
I mean, like, I am good like that.
See, relationships, I think we should mention the stereotype which people have ki working with your partner, business and personal life, but you know what, a lot of people have done that. And
Oh, we love it.
no,
We
I
freaking
know
love
that you will also love to talk about it. But the thing that I'm not trying to do is throughout the 1 or 2 hours that we have talked, it's pretty established that you guys have a very healthy working relationship.
Yeah.
blooming together.
Yes. We fight a lot, but again, that's a part of the whole thing, you know.
That's when
you need balance.
ये जो ऑडियो सुन रहे होंगे बिना वीडियो के, उनका क्या?
मैं डालने नहीं वाला because this
अच्छा।
energy इधर नहीं जाएगा.
Spotify में नहीं आएगा.
नहीं, अभी नहीं. I'm doing this for experimenting. I told you, this is my therapy session. और इसको edit करके
Again, वही है, you know, I think this is one thing that I got मेरे लिए into practice is that, you know, जब मैं रात में वही होता है ना, जब उसको कॉल कर रहा हूँ, I stopped doing that.
existentialism.
हाँ, वो 1-2 दिन इससे किया, but before that I used to do that also. After that I'm also doing that. I just don't like to keep my mind unattended. Like that's why I'm a YouTube addict. Because there are creators
It's
who
so
put
easy stimulation to your brain.
yeah, because there are creators who put content daily, and especially the creators who are not from India.
Yeah.
Because then their timeline, their time zone of uploading and my time zone of overthinking
They
match.
upload and you consume.
Yeah. So I consume and like, yeah, nice, आधा घंटा 2 घंटा
Everything has a yin and yang in your life. But I'm jealous of this. So leading to the conclusion, we have tried to stay away from stereotypes and cliches. We have failed enormously. But let's just end this whole segment by you guys as a brand, Sociology को put it aside. As Madhura and as Naman, give people who are watching this, since the whole podcast is based around young entrepreneurs or people who are trying to earn jobs, fuck all, पैसा आ रहा है खत्म है. Give 3 tips that you should follow, life-wise, career-wise, ego, कुछ भी, any tips that you feel like, even if it's on a human level, don't hate cats, I don't care, just say it. 3 tips starting from Madhura.
No, we'll start from now, man.
Okay, you'll have to think.
I'll have to think.
Okay.
Yeah, just face the camera and
Okay. I think number 1 would be, you know, when you're going for a pitch to a client, I'll talk to that first. I'll address that first because that happened to me once. I went to a client to pitch him for a different property. That did not work out, but he gave me a bigger project. I still have no clue why, right? So, भले ही वो product छोटा हो, बड़ा हो, give it पूरा, you know, give it all you have.
yeah.
Because you never know. I did not know I'm going to get such a huge deal जहाँ मैं उसे 10,000 रुपए मांगने जा रहा था, right?
Get it.
So do that. Don't forget. Do not push yourself behind. कि नहीं यार मैं इसको सारे कार्ड्स नहीं दिखाता हूँ वरना you know मुझे कम में करना पड़ेगा, मुझे करना पड़ेगा. See, work is work. You know, do it for less, do it for more, just do it. You know, Nike.
And you know, Sheila move
Yeah, and just that's one. You know, just do it. And 2 could be find your quirk. You know, originality. Nothing is original in the world. आज के time में, nothing is original in the world. There are people.
Everything is a copy of a copy.
Yeah,
of a copy.
right. Nothing is original in the world. But what you can have is the uniqueness of being you. So find that small quirk that makes you you. You know, for example, I like to crack very lame puns. A lot of people do that, but how do I do it in a new way, in a fresh way? I laugh myself. A lot of people do that. What do I do? So you just keep adding layers to your quirk, right? And that is when you figure out, oh, this is me. You have to find yourself like that.
And work on it from there.
Yeah, and build from there, you know. So find your quirk like that. Number 3 could be stop giving a fuck about people, because लोग आएंगे, लोग पता, मैंने आज सुबह आई थिंक नील पटेल मेंशन किया ना, आई थिंक उन्हीं का उसी के उसने उसका बिजनेस पेज या उसके पेज पे गया था कि इफ समबडी टेल्स यू नो you can't do it or you won't reach somewhere, go as far as you can till you stop seeing them.
As a competition or as a peer.
As anything, you know.
Yeah.
So just do that. Stop giving fucks about people. That's all.
Good. I agree.
Okay, my 3 tips, right? So, the first one.
Roll over.
Okay, let me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So,
The first thing would be कि trust yourself. लोग कितना भी बोले, कोई भी बड़ा आदमी आपको आके कोई भी एडवाइस दे, कुछ भी हो जाए, I feel like बॉटम लाइन ये होनी चाहिए कि खुद पे विश्वास होना जरूरी है. ट्रस्ट योरसेल्फ, ट्रस्ट योर इंस्टिंक्ट एंड ट्रस्ट इन योरसेल्फ दैट यू कैन अचीव व्हाट यू वांट टू अचीव, बिकॉज दैट्स स्टेप 1.
confidence, yeah.
Confidence भी नहीं, I am talking about pure trust only here.
Yeah, then that brings confidence and motivational.
So for me it was marketing or starting my own agency or going into this field of becoming an entrepreneur for that matter. For me this was something so out of the way that you wouldn't even imagine. I don't come from a business background. I was not in a field where you need, like, where you learn about business. I was not the kind of person who would know how to ask people for money for services that I'm providing them. मैंने इतने content writing वाली चीजें फ्री में करके दिए ना कि मुझे शर्म आती है बोलने में. But I reached a point where I started trusting in myself. You know, this is something that I can do. This is something that I can do. I can start my own business. I kid you not. Till my first payment fell through, my parents did not believe that I could do this.
That's the benchmark that you said.
Yeah, and the thing is कि for me, the way I grew up, parents' approval is a big thing. I don't care if it's toxic, not toxic. I don't care if it's necessary, unnecessary. But for me, parental approval was something that was important for me.
That's something you give back to them. The
Yeah. And 4 या 5 दिन पहले की बात है, मेरा बड़ा पेमेंट आया एकदम लाइक टैंजिबल, जो मैं दिखा सकती थी कि एक्सपेंस के बाद भी मेरे पास अमाउंट बच रही है वाला. And that's when my father sat me down and started talking to me about, like, are you registering?
Yeah, just
Are you
take whole low.
Things got real for them then.
Yeah, and I was so happy that day. I was willing to answer any questions that they had.
You will do it happily now.
Yeah, I was like, so that's point 1, trust yourself. एक point आएगा लाइफ में, कोई नहीं ट्रस्ट करेगा, मेरी मम्मा पापा भी नहीं कर रहे थे.
But you have to put it in.
But मेरे को खुद में था.
Yes.
Motivate yourself.
हाँ.
Find it.
So that is one. Second is learn to keep your personal and professional life different. I know coming from me it sounds very hypocritical.
No. I think that you guys have broken the stereotypes per se, because I haven't seen you guys perform professionally. Not as if you guys are amateurs. You're not. It's not like you're discussing work right now. But the way you're talking, the candid thing that we label it, you guys are doing really well.
So when I say keep your personal and professional life different, in the sense that कि बहुत बार ऐसा होगा कि आप छोटे शहरों में हो, छोटे मार्केट्स में हो, आप ऐसे लोगों से मिलोगे जो आपको पर्सनली नहीं पसंद, बट प्रोफेशनली वो आपके लिए बहुत प्रॉफिटेबल है, बेनिफिशियल है. तो उस टर्म्स में पर्सनल एंड प्रोफेशनल लाइफ अलग रखो. If you're going to be someone who's young and is going to be like you're planning to become an entrepreneur, for you maintaining that balance, creating that difference for yourself is very important.
Yeah.
कि आपको मैं प्रोफेशनली जानती हूँ, बीरबाल को मैं पर्सनली जानती हूँ, बट अगर मैं उसको प्रोफेशनल सेटिंग में मिल रही हूँ तो मेरा उसके साथ वो बैलेंस रहेगा कि ये प्रोफेशनल सेटिंग है। तो
you
वो
cover both aspects.
हाँ, सो ऐसा भी नहीं होना चाहिए कि मेरे पर्सनल कांटेक्ट को बुरा लगे, बट ऐसा भी होना चाहिए मेरे प्रोफेशनल कांटेक्ट को ये लगे कि भाई ये बहुत ही चिल है। वो एक होना चाहिए कि
Yeah.
पर्सनल आपका क्या है, प्रोफेशनल आपका क्या है। एंड द थर्ड एंड द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग
Do farming.
no, the third and the
Buy a product.
One callback joke.
बोल लो मैं
No mansplaining.
Let third point, let people talk.
yeah no, the third point is have your morals sorted. Because as I said for a brief second, when we were talking about something that morality is something subjective and that law school taught me.
You can bend it up.
Yeah, law school taught me that my morality is not necessarily similar to his morality or your morality. So you need to have a strong base of your own morals. See, for me, fucking someone over could be a strong base for my morals, and I have my reasons for it. For you, it's not moral, or maybe for the society, it's not moral. सोसाइटी में कोई ये नहीं बोलेगी इसको नीचे खींच और तू ऊपर बढ़।
But it works that way.
Works that way. So मेरे को लगता है कि खुद के morals बहुत strong रखना जरूरी है, क्योंकि जब आप young हो और आप एक certain age limit के अंदर market में घुस रहे हो, 10 लोग आके 10 चीजें बताएंगे, आप 10 talks का content consume करोगे YouTube पे, आपको ये book है, वो book है, ये video है, वो video है, हर जगह से bombarding होगी। और ये बॉम्बार्डिंग मॉरल लेवल पे भी होगी, प्रोफेशनल लेवल पे भी होगी, पर्सनल लेवल पे भी होगी। तो अगर आपके मॉरल्स ही हिल जाएंगे तो बहुत प्रॉब्लमेटिक, क्योंकि एक बंदा मेरे को आगे बताएगा हसल और ग्राइंड मेंटालिटी गलत है, वही दूसरा आके बताएगा कि सही है। तो मुझे बताना चाहिए कि मुझे हसल एंड ग्राइंड मेंटालिटी नहीं जमती है। मुझे लगता है कि लाइफ में जितना काम कर रहे हो उतना एंजॉय भी करना चाहिए।
You agree to disagree. It's
Yeah,
comfortable and
you stand your ground. It's important. So
Yeah.
when we are, so I am tying it back to the performance poetry aspect of my life, right? So this is something that we tell every new performer, that the first thing that you do when you go on stage is you stand your ground. You stabilize your body.
Yeah.
You don't move. You don't shake. You don't do random movements.
and it's it works on all levels. Even if you're talking emotionally, डामाडोल होना है।
Exactly. तो ये बहुत लाइफ में ये एक चीज जो है वो मेरे कैरी करती हूँ मैं, कि नो मैटर वेयर आई गो, अपर बॉडी मूवमेंट हो रहा है मेरा, मेरे प्रेफरेंसेस चेंज होंगे, मेरे व्यूज चेंज होंगे।
मैं zoned out ना, वो मेरे को ध्यान नहीं मेरा हाथ कहाँ है, if I'm zoned in a joke।
नहीं, मैं अभी इसको थोड़ा मेटाफोरिकली बोल रही हूँ।
Okay, yeah.
कि मेरी अपर बॉडी आर माय मॉरल्स, माय व्यूज, माय ग्रोथ। तो जब मैं पोएट्री परफॉर्म करती हूँ मेरे पैर नहीं हिलते हैं,
Yeah.
मेरी जगह माइक के सामने स्टेबल है,
Yeah.
बट मैं जब परफॉर्म कर रही हूँ मेरी अपर बॉडी हिल रही है, मैं मुंडी हिला रही हूँ, मैं एक्सप्रेशंस दे रही हूँ। So the things that are moving are the changes that I am taking in my life. I'll learn new things. I'll get to know different views. Maybe I will agree to some. I make changes in myself. But my ground morals are going to be there in place. So my legs, the lower part of my body, which are my morals, are going to be stable for the rest of my life. If for me, not paying someone who works for me is immoral, I will never take someone on my team who I'm not paying.
Okay.
क्योंकि अगर उसके पास कैलिबर है,
Because it will affect you in the long run.
Exactly, और वो मेरा मॉरल है। और अगेन जब मैं बोलती हूँ स्टैंड योर मॉरल ग्राउंड, इसमें एक इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट यह आ जाता है कि खुद की मॉरलिटी दूसरे पे लाते हैं नहीं।
जी बिल्कुल।
कि अगर मुझे एक चीज लगती है जस्ट बिकॉज वो मेरा बिजनेस पार्टनर है मैं उस पर ला दूंगी नहीं, क्योंकि उसके खुद के मॉरल्स है। और अगर मैं ये प्रमोट कर रही हूँ कि इंसान ने खुद के मॉरल्स पे स्ट्रांग रहना चाहिए, उसमें भी उसके रहना चाहिए।
Yeah, since you can't tell her don't own a cat.
Exactly.
It works that way. I would have.
My cat is the cutest.
Yeah, see, that's subjective. Beauty
But yeah, again,
is.
To
He has a pink little
And
nose.
you have.
Pink little nose.
to conclude her point 3
Yeah, the tips.
is the morality.
Yeah, morality.
Have your morality in place.
Yeah,
And
think about it. You think that you have morals? Fucking
Yeah.
take a test, dude.
food for thought. The test. I'll just give you an example. Whoever listens, whoever watches this can figure out.
That 32 people.
Yeah, maybe
नहीं यार ज़्यादा होंगे यार।
33.
चार तो मेरे होंगे।
33 people.
I got 5 fake IDs. So.
हाँ, अच्छा।
Anyway, but whoever is listening to it, I mean, this is your test. Think about this, okay? So तुम्हारे हाथ में liver है, एक lever है, and you can change the tracks of a train. Right? There's a train coming in. If you change, the train goes right. Otherwise, it goes straight. अगर वो सीधे जाएगी तो वहाँ पे एक पूरी family खड़ी है ट्रैक पे जो मर जाएगी. If you change, there's an old guy standing on the right. He'll die.
Yeah.
Either case, somebody dies, right?
And by the way, you know every one of them.
Yeah, you know every one of them,
Let's
right?
make it more.
So just choose your morality. Who would you rather
Yeah, it's the
kill?
same thought as if you like जब हम बहुत बड़ी ऊंची बिल्डिंग पे and you're with someone. Can I push you?
Can you push?
Yeah, you know you won't, but there is this thought, and people are so like she's.
I'm never gonna go on a tall building with these two.
I just like I
Sliding
just,
out of the
I just
frame.
want to see how would the simulation play along.
Yeah.
You know, if I push somebody, what is going to happen? How many turns? How
Yeah.
many?
But आप push नहीं करते, ये आपकी
No,
morality
because,
है.
because,
Again,
the,
yes.
because the comment that you give, he felt funny.
Yeah.
That it'll be worth living
Yeah.
for कि जेल में जाऊंगा so मैंने ना मजे के लिए किसी को धक्का दिया. तू
I
भी
mean,
क्या?
morality yes, but curiosity भी तो है.
Exactly. I'm very scared now.
When you said about the lever, I'm like, yeah man, it's gonna be interesting. But then you're like, lever. Then came the killing part. I'm like, content. I'm really cool with
So like that, yeah. Again, curiosity killed the cat. That's why, because it was standing on a very tall building and somebody pushed the cat.
Yeah,
We may not talk about cats dying.
it's not even like will you kill a cat or will you kill those people. No, it doesn't have to be that extreme. Let's take relationships in your life, not even girlfriend and boyfriend, your friendships. That you know, even toxicity is something that gets overlooked a lot, even with clients or your acquaintances and peers. Think about it. Think about if you're happy, and if you're pretty confident that you're not happy, work on changing that, because it's not cool to be depressed, guys.
So at the end of the day,
News alert: depression is not cool.
It's not
the norm.
We will, I
And just
want you
be-
to add a slider here that will stay for 10 seconds with just in very bright letters says depression is not cool.
Yeah,
and sadness is not
let's
depression.
let's make a reel about this.
Yeah,
for
and
fun's sake.
sadness is not depression. That's all.
Yeah, and if you are feeling lazy, it's just
You're lazy.
You haven't slept for a while. Don't blame it on mental
Or
illness.
maybe you've been farming a lot.
Yeah,
Yeah.
on that note, coughs everywhere. on that note, it has been a pleasure, and these 2 hours have been there are evenings
दो
that
घंटा चल गया.
yeah, and this is what Bakshodi means.
Yeah, exactly.
And
this is what it is.
We are so called professionals. And हमारे clients अगर ये कभी देखेंगे, you will see the different version of ourselves. And if you do, we are not schizophrenic or something. It's
Yeah.
just that,
You'll probably see a different version of her.
yeah, man. I think कि when she is it this the glasses, your cape or something that you put it on and then you like Superman. Yeah. This is not multiple personality disorder, okay? Yeah, no DIDs here. And on that note, been a fun podcast.
Same
Thank
here.
you guys for providing me so much farming content. Man, you're everywhere.
Oh my god.
Thank you everyone for watching. It's Amanush Pandey. This is Naman. This is Madhura, and we are signing off.
Bye-bye.
This is sociology. What is this brand placement?
We'll put the social media.
This is sociology's outreach.
Yeah, I will definitely cut that part out. Bye bye.
Bye.
कट मेरे को फुटेज दिखाओ मैं चूजे ऐसा देख रहा हूँ कैमरा में लाइट